tomatoes mpagye enye cabbage awatwitwa enye carrot awatwitwa enye ni nyina wasese nsuo ni kwakoto gwazo ofuma me de ba me mprako se awogya no de kwanika no akwayam no da ehyeto so dia budidi na ya bana budidi na ya ko ba duwe ba bia spesi wo bo no de yehyeto na ma me de anefo
etuomu osumo
na sa ma mi wo to aduane a wose wo no ne onse ne nan na emu ya ne ya kakra nya fe na wo to aduane na enkofo kura aguru so na obedwo nso a na afe no wo be twa kwantenti akwadwo nso wo be hupu a obene a nya fe na wo be twa kwantenti obene a se policy bag no to aduane wo enti no ane se shetebu na chi setebu ye tie mi no akoto mpato gina ho twemi na meba mi yi ade aba no akoto ho no ne owie ya na sensuo no de nsa befa ne ntuma mu se ya no de nsa afem enipa bi ye sa ade no titi wo junso ne de wo bo junso pa dwadifo yi aya de so akoto ho ya ade no adwunso wi a o huru ni nsa de nsa fa ne ntuma mu se no de ye adwane na ma wo
sa ade nko ade okoto ade no hu so bi ye bi sa eya ja ento jai
so eya ade e koso bibi ni suban we say wo bi yamon payansa
David
yamon paye ansa na what say suban we say eno no te say dey o
na na si chira boso mo yele no was say
he aware sem wo ho ye ka ni onim na sansem ananse etwaguo social media ene eja no ba fefe ne eja no nyina no wo se be ma ne so eja no na wo yi na hi no ensem wo ho mo mpese obeka but as a Ghana for be a so baby you know omunim ne atwam on pese obeka ni nyina esanse mote a masumba ye mo chiwo na kitu obi obeka o mate ase ne se ni kunu sofo kira bosom wono ani medifo mienu de edi kan onyemo no o hye ne nyinsen
okay
e ma ne koye de otosumi no sanso a hye nyinsen medifo mienu opon de oyema ni nyina achi wanyinse me
joba na ye no wanwa ho
ye no wanwa nti se de wo se mo de mo te wo mo keka se nka wo na ate awade ase e na wuku na obi anim se aso eba sofo ne sofo mame afo ware a aya na obi anim se asomdie wo ho obi bo ne nyum wo se asore benya asem a de kwata sofo
ade nipa ye ho mfonso ne se ye hu nya hye nipa mu to
sa ye de re hye nipa mu
yes se ye ne maame se ye ne papa se ye ni kunu se ye ne yire aya na ne refi se nipa no we limited ebedu baabi no tiyan ka hwe fi no wo se ebeba no entumi ma gidie bi a wo ni mu no oye ni penti no obetimi atwi afa no ma bi so enti ya ye nsusu mfa ye ni ntu nipa so fi ye wi nhye nipa mu a eno na se wadwe no wo mo no po se bibia ye possible a de wontumi heat no aba no
na tia fa so
ye wontumi no wakana no waduru
na chese
ye wontumi no wadi oba na wu no wadi be ma na wu enti mama abrabo no ho bibia ye possible enti ye bibia ye se nyamesom na ye sumo sa wade ne ye wade ye o se suku ne ye ko se adwuma ne ye yo bibia ye bia kanipa ho bia fasa de ni so tim se bibia betumi yes
senya be na nsa ne no obi afem no oka na sem se se dia tumi ni o menka bi nhye be ma me ntenam se na de na se na ekoso na wase me nso bi do no bi do de ekoso na me se fo ade ne tena
Abraham
hunu nyansa na de yemfo odo nkwa awale
Abraham nya odo efititi o hwe tie Abraham nyenyu Yakob adamfo no
sa
na ire ne Sarah edu baby emu ye den wampa o Sarah say enye ne ire e tire o say wiase bibia e possible situation bi e besi bia no e de ho enhyehyeye ene ho nsem ene nam onti abrabo no ye ne fa ne say me ko wade ye no ye ka kire me say awade enhira wo mu awade de e de etie no kwa the sugary aspect of marriage no e ho kwa ne nipa ya dwen eti so wade ye no ana ne kunu adwuma sei na ni kunu ntimi nkoma
samaba
na so for pa nkwa ya sembe ro ka jem so anga nyam se be ma ni yetire e bibia mi hia bi o de be ma me na so for pa dia so ka anga jem so ba se bi abona ye bo no nyankopon wanya magician yo
sa
bibia we ye so for betimi anyim obi
na wonyim nsan kwanyem
na me kire se possible na ye kan won ti ase ada
yes edwena be emfumso woni pa ho obetime ye emfumso
Matias ye
no ye emfumso de di kan no ye de woni che
ye susu mfa ye hwe ne ye gidie ense ni pemu
edwena ba se ka se obetime anyim na obi abetime anyim o na wo gire ni mu de encheche na
Matias ye men justify say the sofo ne ye ne yi
wo ye de di kan wo de a che
men ka say ye na mum de me kan say ewiase we no ye susu mfa ye hwe ense ni pemu se de tro no aka no we betimi adunhwamo ukunu betimi adunhwamo o papa betimi adunhwamo
enti
ete se abrabo mu emwa ya ne yahwe se ase mi kunu na wose kwan bi aso obo ame me na kwan bi aso me pa da bi asa na tie
na me de be hwe ne se de obai enya akukudro ma de esi ye de dika wo de kyeye e ma na etosu mienu so be kan ho afei na ebi a wapa mu aka no senka e be ma no e na oba no ko twa no ho kakra e na bibi se apie mu a enko betro aka se de dika me de achew
dabi entu so hu ne ye na emwa no ko
inko say yes Bible say enya wale
na ne wusu aye de
ne nyame aka babu
enya kwa no tum
this say adwamammo
enya kwa no tum nana eba nsa dia kwa no tum na edi
enti no ka na no tum beta ase ade bi wo hor man ka hwese do ka kan kra nkeye wo hu ka kan ya nkeye ni
say
ko eto da
sa wo betra ho
wo hor man ade che wo mo ofi se waji
ana me say ti o so ade che ne ncha ja hokọ
wo de che ne ncha ko ende ne okwaye okwaye pa chance wo kwai
che bon abrabo na ye boni ne no stress nko an o
me ka bi kwa no wo awie wo ko nko
wo abrabo na ye boni ne no pressure wo mo edi sa wo tena ase emu obi di ne afa president o
Dabi asa sound say ase e ma asem eya e ma ni kama
obi asem oya
obi asem ya e ma asem eya ohun eti na gender ministry no e ma asem eya o
na say gender nya ma nko ade a
but e ma ye be di ma so bache
e ma gender nya ma nko ade o
e ma ni kwada asem
e ya da san ye die
na mo dia no
tie enipa bi asem oya o enya ma nko asem na eya oya akoda na asem oya oya oba na asem oya oya bema na asem oya
mema dia mo masem no ansa na bema asem bema bo no ketua bi obadie di na ya na no be mu na chese wo se fata ye nto aso
onye di na wo se fata
onye no wo se fata for the finder and my fire me the air to aso na finder nim hanum say so wo bama ne wodi oru akujeto ablakwa ni mfonyina to hanum say na Reverend Victor Kusi Boatin mfonyina da hanum na NIA boss so mfonyina so eda ha na ni nyina ne say oru akujeto ablakwa eda e kire say wonim owadanse wodi Ghana card bi ababonte ya e kire say Reverend Victor Kusi Boatin okita Ghana card ni mienu ye di enda so eye kwabena edujamfi ena ba kon so eye Reverend Kusi Boatin na no ena National Identification Authority wo ma bonte abekasa ye omo etro mu se wo mu nim omo hwehwe wo do data so hwehwe wo mu nkrata mu hwehwe mu nyoma nyina mu no wo mu hu Reverend Victor Kusi Boatin bi adin e wo mu nkrata mu na we dey di pefe se asama owuro kujeto ablakwa beka ye no chese we di atro won ma ba be san Reverend eti enti won mu si din ba ko pe no mu hu ye eno ye kwabena du jamfi enti ye nim se kwabena du jamfi no eno na ye Reverend Victor Kusi Boatin no ana se ye hwan se de Ghana for esre se ena ye mumfamfo yin nimra bontene na ye hwe anim no esan se enye wono ade a na Reverend Kusi Boatin ana se Kusi Boatin enye ade a Ghana card no wo bie ye honsem aba abontene saa so na Ghana Armed Forces so akasa ye mu etwem se ne etwa guo se won akumtimamfo enso oboko no wo mo se nya ade a no kura bia ewo mo na krata ya ade owura Alan Kojo Chamatini mfo nyina to hanum sei na wakasa ye a wo twem se Ghana fo ebre so na samoko abato so a monto aba no mani pa woda mo akoma so enye de obi de na mamo enye de e bia wo hwe de dabi de obetimi abo wa hwo asitema na mato aba no ye a wakasa wa hadom na krata de ababa wa bi mfo nyina to hanum sei ewuraba kama ena okoto hodo na hwo ewuraba na enkokọ bi atwa no ho ahia ena krata ebo amane se ewuraba yi ne di ene Hana Edu na Hana Edu wono chese wa ye de masters awie ya na chese oye sales manager ewo insurance company bi
na yenkwa ahoma no so ho na yenya adwuma bi mra ye ne councilor Lutrot enkodi nkomo bi emra na yenhwe se de no ma no esi atie councilor wote menka memwache mwakwa aba aha ya agenkwa 101 pon na kasa vidie so asante mantem kumase akura ya hu yo na wo so e
nyame adom boko
yo anopa ye fra wo anya boni ye di nkomo bi afa awade ene sebeya betumpo ho na akosa ye bisa ne se die ne besie ama bia bema wone ne yirete no nwa akofa akoda bi titiri wo ba so mebo ya wa shesa abayu anu nyinsen die ne ya de kofa sa no ma no de ba wada wo bra
me da seminchi for na den cassette ma ko bi e wo ma se nyama bebri brofo be cassette factors e ma obi ebe kwa akọwo no edoso the factors are many na pray wo enkoma odi ni mu se ye obi ye health reasons e be customary reasons it be a chieftaincy reasons and it be a personal reasons. May born to farmer obi wo bema otia wale no so ana bema o wale no na nisu adi hu titiriu ne se o umensa ana o wonai ale dofo ne ne tina no ye woman ya me say ya die binti ontumi enwo nine enunti on hye no maninko
okay
obetina asa akwanya no so e de akowo aba obi nso wo ho a oba na oni nankasa mpo no awade ni nkoyie na ohwe no ne be wo nkwara mu a gachi nkwara na bra bo we bata dia okowo aba ye to so biom aba wo wa yirechi enya dia egun kwara oba kowo ba na dia mane ba e ma kowo ba enfa mane ma isa se be ma na tudin ena ade esi
councilor na wo esisie kakra
esisie ne den
oba je ko na mo be ma kowo ba de
na wa na tudin
ya be ma mum
ati se be ma tudin e ba nse na igbeni e wo ba
sa so ase wo ani nukura wa awade ni
ene kura ni de wo hin
ja me ile ba ko no ene wa na me no be wo na afi makofa tie sa na se ma mfo buo ni ani die amfa ma awade no
Debbie, obi kaso obi fa na yere chi a onfa ni die emma oba na be ma awade ma enya no kre eni die ne den
sa ba yi matrimonial bed na wa du nfi
bed ni dia wa hin na se hotel bed na mo ko ye honeymoon matrimonial bed ana ti ne na so bi bed aso
okay
empediana mo da so na nkasa na boy no da so da so na wale o matrimonial bed mo nyanti ase na wonya ti matrimonial bed na ase nya bi wo a on tre ho what ma say enti ase na ehia ma ti ase
ya ti ase
ba me kan say be ma etu na mo bi aye nyama se a enti ase bebiri wo mu ya to so bi o e ba ne say your friend bi say cheating obi antimi justify the reason why they are cheating oba antimi nye bibi ma be man cheating be man antimi nye bibi ma oba cheating. Cheating is a personal decision. There may be a call back area person onim die nti okoye ebi ye on your ban to ebi so oni to sue. So all I'm saying is that abotre any ebufu any account ema yin to me nyam ntem ho ase what you say enti oba bi nsisi be me bi nsisi oba bi but be ma said dia me dia emra na chine ne se ana o hwe nkwala na oni wa wo no o hwe wa na se santi ase no o dia emra bi ambo no se wa ye fomso kana mra na ya dija wa de tu no me yansa ba ko ye Mohammedan ama aware kremufo awade ye wo fia awade my marriage and your mre mo awade ni me ensen nyina no mre mo awade no pe and I say one man one wife at a time not for a life, but at a time. At a time, which is I'm a bit more position. I wanted 20. From Brahma, I did actually and home to me wanted 20 at the same time. But not the idea myself. I'm of a job mother. That is what the law says. But if you are there, yes, yeah, what you feel. And we are what they end to us for I said polygamous marriage. It's a Brahman watching. Now are you fear there? Not on them for a camera. Be a new away. The elderly chimney in the police station. As the doctor say. And Colonel only one of your own. And I'm never sorry here. In the city, I see here. Brother be a china. And there are some very bad one. And the obedience is you. A young Tiasian here. Yet we not our dear Bassy. My daughter here.
Counselor, that was now you ready say we say a dear na say be obane be mati said ye kan ho asem was so wa famachi wakwawu wo baabi wo ba ne no obi akoda be ma ne no obi akoda ubohu ana oya no afani tirim o se bi a wabodam obi se wanya abotre wadi ne yonko no awu ene nasefo ebi kire se ase ye de we hye dipam ye yirimu ye kurumu ye de gidi nya ko se wo mumu dodo eti bibi se asi a na akofa sa wo ha no e de aba sa asam so ye no kwesa
ye di kai en so ni pada se ni bia e di ni re e hye onipam e se ye nya gidi wo onipam na ye mfa ye yere en hye nyankopon profokasa na si trust no man. Believe every man, but trust God. That's one difference. And our way is based on belief, not trust. Our way is based on belief, not trust. The reason is if you believe people, you know they are human beings, they are fallible.
Just say to be young,
can simply fail you. Yes. You be dinner or the ration to more and yet. A brand by your two Obama by a Jimmy D and funny ration. I want our son again because so about them open up to my area. The son said, "Who forward? I'm a wire time. Wire time, time. I'm wishing for you. Oh, send me a body. Out here. Papa. It's no woman as well. Yes, and our dear no qua. Only anti as yet can see the Atana, what they are saying. Although the Kosodo, also for Boomer, also not for Boomer, and Tiasia, but the same she said, and said, did you our dear money on board them? Then, miss. Our dear here forever. Our dear yam born forever. Yam our dear forever.
Hey,
and maybe near about it forever.
Bible say and team this will war.
And you will forever.
Yamutrasia, Namunyamu Quadamu Corner, Bakunti Yamakosa.
The cancer,
Munyamotiasi.
Babonin Casa, our Jaya Bible, Namiji to me. And you know, in Casa. What does it?
Council was in Yamaji, our Jaya tomb.
Now he found what was on Jinju. If I actually saw on Jinju.
Some was it your carbon, you say, Bianca, your mind, and power.
Now, why in the end, I'm not Cambo Morgana? Maybe the Akran Cambo.
Council, what in Yamian Cambo?
Or did I know Cambo?
Papa, no pay us what can be before.
There is a Emra and your dog and a time in the boom. And I'm in J. Ghana Mara too. It's a mean Jawa. Yanko Pontin doesn't mean that. Emra press on the gun.
And there some co, Yamin from Chichi. A big crowd will attempt to back me and be sent over your careful some and who over the cost what hour the other who now won't no pass our band day. Yeah, I say what's now.
Bible now what you want to say. And if you name, yes, sir, or born a year, ɛne okunu ne san sɛ mo akoma dinti enti akoma demba awade ase a awade ne gu enti sɛ me yire yɛ so o ma me bro kumia eye jimia na mi bie sɛ metena awade no ɛna enya me so
wo be gya no wakɔ wo kwa
na Kristo mpo yɛ di n'echi ɔkɔ Jerusalem ankɔfɔ nso bɛsi ne bɔɔ no ɔde mirika na fi ɔkɔɛ enti dɛ na akeka no
anya se so wo bebe dia wo so tu mirika na akɔ
sa awade be yi anka wɔn wo pɛ sɛ awade yi di a ana awade be kɔte tɔn a n'anim sɛ bia wo drive ana wa drive car brake ne nyɛ da
pa
car biara yɛ drive a brake nyɛ pia no obi o drive bia yɛ more careful ɛna secret no enti yi brake fi awade mu a be carefully and a break in a big kind of divorce. Yes, they are seriously. Our dear Nyashabo. It's men cool, who could not you, and near Jimmy and Yenny, and a man who moved. Christian, the woman, and you did do woman.
Okay, councillor, that was say, and pays what you change, some would yet say, a young quay and BBC and Tiasia, what dear moi, a year be open my best.
And I said, I'm not going to be able to say, Obitia, what the body good. Here, I say, Obitia, what did you even a son or who you're yellow? That's how many will draw in cool. Fanama win after me and wow. Niembo ungu awade no na usura awade jaya unya awade
council bubo number no maye bubo maye
0277 609 644 me boss bu me ma ntam popo chore boko 0277 609 644
0277 609 644
mayembo na wokra enyi nche wasasi so
ya councilor John that was say anopay say what yesuo eti bibini a yebeba wo nchen bio
da waseta
abusia number no no say yemfantu ye dia to dwa no say bibi tetewa na no sofo tirabosom miami name wotu na so mafo say mamo nhwemi o mo besum nyame se me ma wade asintirase akate asima wade so a mo nhwe so na mo sum nyame me de ma mo mfa masem enya asem epia yentie na futuo ni yenhwa se de no mesiti
obi anka do ho twemo na me strike ebrese mu me monitor nkofo bebre me monitor mu nyina mu CV a me de akọ awrade anim na fe ya fide nyame betuma ye obritie mu ne se etisi uso a ya do bebreme obi anka do ho twemo na me strike ebrese mu me monitor nkofo bebre me monitor mu nyina mu CV a me de akọ awrade anim na fe ya fide nyame betuma ye obritie mu ne se etisi uso a ya do bebreme obi anka do ho twemo na me strike ebrese mu me monitor nkofo bebre me monitor mu nyina mu CV a me de akọ awrade anim na fe ya fide nyame betuma ye obritie mu ne se etisi uso a ya do bebreme
na etisi uso a ya do bebreme me kwabena kiraboso na masa bomba ya ma wasi di obi apebia waye bubuna wisi wada mpadua an wo hwe ade saa mo amoka ko bengum mo ka ko difa ana so fo no
etisi uso a
no tie ze ya obaboa no dia
obi anka
wari be kwa mo akọ bomba ya
na me strike ebrese mu me monitor nkofo bebre me monitor mu nyina mu CV a
eno me no obesere no wo sane mu wie no wo to ko wie mu a wa be kan de do ba bre no
obi agene de
o wa sama councilor Eken o se yentra wade hunwo
sa
eti se o hwe na abenya pressure ubewu jawade ne ko
eno kwa na ma ware
wasi Yesu Kristo na anu a woko Jerusalem ankrofo ififa abo se Yesu no no nsu obewu
na no de wode ko to Yesu mu de ye kan wose wale Yesu nyu na de no ye mfato wan ba bia mfa no de ko fa Yesu eno de onyi nto
da bi so obeso o chese Nyankopon kwa ya wale ja etum
oje ha wale ja etum ba bia me wo kan na wo kan sem no tisi a counselor wi a me fa number yi na ma frɛ no esanse nipa bi hia mboa na aduana ba wo kan ye wo se be ma de he senior minimum se cheating de be ma na obodi tirimu po ene wo cheating nyamfo so enti okodi ne boni wie no be ka se we die ma hu ne ye yo we die mfumso na ba ye bone eye boapayo esanse wo hyeda na wo tena ase ene wo fa ko be fa so
so ba so ye sa ne so ye de
eno na me kan se counselor kan wo se wo ba de wo fa nyinse ba na so ko wo ba bi eno de eye mfumso eno de ye nyintum hwe be mai wo no be yi de tie se be mai ni wo ba bi awo maako enan wo be yi abefa no be ekurofoforo si oba de nya we ena no oba na tena na ebe pie mu ebe ni pie mu no ena ase mi wenchu be ma foforo mi so yi niti ena be ma ne se eba ne ye ne dia wo so ye se wo se eba ne ye wo dia ena ekọ na eba se wo se wo ba ne nka no kre won ka no kre nkyerɛ se ebia se ne wo be ma foforo so ho meanwhile wo ba ne kokoti ne ba bi se okura no wa ware a o manan ena ne wo motie se ho na ye mfomso
na gubi ya ye mfomso
oho enso be ma de ne dia wo cho ba
ya asofo no a wo ma wade eguo no wote asem papa iken wo so woni wo monitor obi anka de ope bia ebire bi wo sofo wo su be mpaka asem bi se sa wade mu accident nto da o ka de ope bia sofo awade egu ase ye news bi ase hu anwanwa bi
asem to sofo a ye news asore ba de esi jama nyame
nti wo hono ba na sa no a awade anu begu a wo mu hu na aya no mo bible no mo hwe afia na
bi kan bi kura na onse
anasa pressure na ma akokọ hwede ewura gusie bom
onse wo kekan na wo bubo so se ubi sa counselor se ede be kwa na be ma be ma sign ne yere ho obobo ne bebre so die ebe ma na ebi ye ebusuemu asam ebi ye apomden ho asam adwuma asam amamre mu asam ye keka ho enti sofo no ebia na wote ho no no minim die kwaso sofo ne sofo ma mentem de bi on kwaso mu showcase o na so ne mane hu se de ma e konkan but ebia na fom ankasa ankasa na nyoma ntse se ne hu no wo hu ebia na fom pan na enwoma enye ebia sofo the bible empai bom wonya adaje ena de adwuma kasankasa sese wo ye no wa ye de wa ye ebi nso na sofo tena se na de bia se gofo ba cancel ne empai bom na dade ntino ne ho ye sofo maame ehi cause e bra sofo maame hwehwe no ena obi afre no gina fon so sofo bom pai maame nti obewie no wo ba no na sofo maame kra
na bible nsa adechi o se me ye de osuma
adechi o ye de osuma wo ya ompon
sa
adwa ne ya ompon
counselor say wono na wade nyanyame ne kambom
wono de ne die no wo se nyanyame ne kambom enti wo ka se nyanyame ne kambom a ebetimi aba se ason da budie wa nkoya bi
da bi wo
na me mefa no
nya na son de wo se wono die no
wo se eyemra ene odo
ya nyanyame nkan wade mu
anti wono de ono na dwen ni susuye no ono ni susuye mu na dwen mu no ohu ni sa enti se nyanyame ne kambom dia bi opa bia
se betete na wotimi jai na woni mu se ye wo sa yin so anka enna na ma nipa beblebe edi ewu no
anka ye de efri se mi anka sankasa wale ye kan nyina no awari bebrebe na ye showcase ye to da wo ye wade bia no obi tenchen a na wante ase bet wo na wo
da bi se e ma obi mete wo wase obi ntimi nte wo wase e ma obi mete wo wase and I don't expect say obi bete wase
enti mi awari na counselor kan wo ka se ne die a wode ye mfato ho bebrebe awari na egu nyina no efiri ni efire ye medipa yemienhwe ene ko wi ase na ankwa nkoduru ba bia se ne nkofo timi ko bobo sian ko ya yefo no be wi ani anu da mu esu se ka ba fiu ebusian na mokwaje ye ne ka ba ye na nti kura bo no aware no monkotena ba bia omote no na egu dada
mekoye MCB ye wie ye no a yefo no ye pia bonten no a ena edwumeku bi mbobo sian mu yusu ka nkitin
bi ase cream
baby ekoye wedding no a yekoye ayefro no a baby ekoye ayefro no a kofuni timi ba ho no ye pie no a
mujina bobo ado
na oba na de ka 3600 ehwa na omugiye ehwa na omugi sika no omugi sika no a omuko fie no anadwo na wade no wagu obi a ya wade a adofo abeboa kakra eno makọ animu anadwo no a ye pon ye no ano bank no aba bechi sika no ene ni interest ya ewo ho nyina awade na anya be ma na kono biewu e de besi ne anope ya awade no agu amu bia ekon baby
etinka enna ne eja ekoshiaye enna de sese wo moye wie na mo wie se court na mo bakwa na makosensan mo nkrata ko de na mo tena baby a enka so wie nim
onum Germany fo wale onum ade o modema
minim de o modema
ona ayo ba no na mehu na mebe wale ti me ba ma me no papa ho a bibia ye ready bi a create me no bi a create me no na am jablo ma me no papa
ana no de na baga na hakra mi hu
na me de me ring aka ho
mi hu obi a no ye ne de e
no create me no
picture busuafie obe yi hye na yefra na tade a yapam be me hye ne de womo de womo koku kreti ba ko esi hot o hwe nipa na no mazusu nipa sa na beba cause nipa de just fanta ba ko bi omutu ono a e bi omo fuck up hwehwe na omo tinya sa macha ne kakanga womo ye ne kama omo wie obi afene nyonko tese aya kono kama omo so de kom ba bi mi ka se kadi wo manim na ne okwaje ebosia ne okwaje ba bi tese golden tulip ekoye ye no okotwa bie enyoma firi oba ni tiri so gosi ni na asempa bo a o hye ye nyina wo han ye eho kada hodo afi no mo wie ye no wo mo be hya se ate se aka no odo be awade emu
debi
mofra ne bakwa na wusuro esan se kada manim na mo de akowo enti ye hwa wade ye na ye hwe ne kan ye se e ma wade ne ye hyerepe ne de aba so no ete wo mankrofo hu se wuti yie awade ne koyie bet wo be kofie edemru na wo
na ne ye nsua bi se nipa wo ho ye fallible nipa wo short for se sofo kura transi no hu se na wade ahye ne mene no otimi ja wade kode a
ase de wabo clerical na
asoba
simene mene
wo de timu mene na wo tele wa ja ne ko
ebe nna busua na ne
aji
enne be wiase ne ye kokunku wo ba wia ye kunkunkunkum
ya wiase ne te no ya hwe ni ya he
eba na
wonim enipa awade amonya pressure
mpo
enipa awade amonya stroke
me hu obi awade ase
wo madwuma bo
awade 70 be me yuru adem fa se kan wo be ga no edika no e ya awade sem oba ne kono ma me fie ni amana ba okoni amana ba komo ma ne tena ne ma me fie a kanya ne esiye ne siye
the council was awade ni nyame ne kan bomu saa de ni beto tirimu a ena wukun timi di udem no e beto tirimu a ena wo yiri timi di udem no e beto tirimu a ena wo timi nya pressure no
nti yanya ne second
and what we etime not necessarily say a contract mote hof but would you be na said the no one sikika kono ka wo afamu de opesen ke ye no o bo modern but wo bo na mo a yesi be ma be ye bi
am ye ni nyina
sabe nyon kwa no waja wade contract me e ka che me yele say na maka che me nua ma mo so se da wo beti se wukuru so obekun bia no ja wade ne ko da beti se wukuru se ana me ka che me se da beti se me si mekun no
ko eno kra de wo ka sai no ano no
because wo mu kun ma no ho enye so so ya no fa ase kan di twia no wo je family agro wo de da ko mekun ti se de mekun aroma no mekun ti se de mekun akokọ no na wo ke kan sa
no afa na gro
ebile bi suhun akoye wotwa anya iriti osori anopa no fa ase kan de to ebo so na she na neza na se kan de wo mi di bekun sa wo so jam sa ankra asem no a ya okika go di bekun wan ampa na do ko da no de wo de se kan akora no de 20 so ene no wo kan say awade mu nye gidie ne de susu di wukunu di susu di yiri di susu fa ahoto no so
yiri mpo de wugidi bebrebe kra o beyem fo so wani nye wa wale mu
sara tie tiji aboso mo se mo de mo nkeka nko wa ka din wo tie wo bia
de ne ba ya obi aka bi wo boaboa no
What the backward wine one anymore.
And on another diaba. Ubi should the Nam Kwan sober. Maybe an ebeton.
A deal there will buy a Facebook page in the SWA. I can go if it was 101.9.
I don't know. I saw for no. One more and in some more. Well, a simple Bakubian and say to glass a pim, never when I say, Canada and I told them, man, Bezeba
could be crab Boba says, Namino.
Check. A man, no one said, I'm for never say, would you never say, won't can you fair? Sure. I Manacala. Was somebody a monkey can't call. One over here, I am one. Second, you must also be able to know what the other one and what I. We are not catch us or my son for no ninja Sudia. We are soon with Yami. I don't put it. Yanaya when you are bar. Yane Abidafo. Ebesi Mkunya. Na Nensamoho. Samoa was here. Na Yakaho Asem. Yanya Bofon Kratui. Na Yemra Sisie.
He wants. What's the wedding is it? Oh, you butankasa. Walk
Messi. Lufat na wajima were you?
Hey, malaria drew Lufat. To my wedding were your hospital.
Sister, where I imagine there. Few hours to my wedding. No Monsieur Semu whom I shepe. Minkata was Mikunia. My husband is sick.
Hey, Jamo Tonodo. Never seen no yen.
What's the water tested positive for malaria?
No, never seen one for ambulance no one.
Up ambulance. It's not a bicycle.
Hey, no, yasi from Kakabo.
No, kick. Many my wedding gonna me make up Nina. Sometimes.
That's right.
Nearest pharmacy. So one meji Lufat.
Entrance pharmaceuticals for one malaria druna.
Inyo. No ye now. One chair. Mukuno china nenadi. A brand pa.
No kuniso. No pona waka that you may kiss the bride. If you want to show day.
No, Donna. Man, no, you don't know.
Indeed, malaria and come to them. Lufat. Malaria drop a test for malaria before treatment. FDA Ashesa Egedia in Kratoi Ajatum say
Rose, Frekitra video man nebisasa I am from Nosisana assistant.
Bra, Uswabremo, Tanya Mankuni Kawari Ebre, we wait dear so to any Henapa.
You did my chisum, Papa. I can do this, Penna wedding Yedruso, and
She called relief tablets even now on Towentem. What me my wedding case? I don't know.
Cold relief.
Pepper sono kokoko. Etimi awangi tenkete. Uchimu yo dududu. Ana hunimu sonyusu ananso hunimasi. Cold relief. Ebe relief wo ama ho atọ wo ntemso.
Cold relief. Semensiawa and can betra oba we musa anso mo agam hako.
Awari so.
Don't know.
Ubenya cold relief for pharmacy bi eben wo mu. Etufonko Tobinco Limited Kumasi Sports Stadium echi. YF Brono no so. Telephone 051 38966. Cold relief.
A relief mentamso.
Foligo capsules ni syrup your multivitamin for fra. Ejema mo fani benina. Iron, zinc, copper, folic acid, vitamin B6 nutrient ashimuma. Foligo brama oxygen aye chuko yemuno. Eje dwumeji na honam no so nya hode a ehwehwe. Foligo syrup de beda malt ni ewowo no jema mo fra. Foligo blood building nutrients so won ne pama bonifo. Emiketufo ni obi a wayare na ho tono.
Yankase.
FD ahwehwe say jedin kwatu mu ajatum say ye
Obiara ribisa neda me shiva and pay me yan wasn't brodo me see oya alternate fatigue in a fever so on pay me repisa me see oya alternate malaria any mo general body pains but I'm free sick of alternate everything be alternate sick of in be the ultimate no alternate malaria fever no alternate you fatigue in a headache no alternate Weja wunam yaw, no alternate. Pastor na lawyer, no alternate. Presented for count, no alternate. Kaya yo you follow them, no alternate. Mano mede, also no alternate. Yo, no alternate. Malaria fever, no alternate. Nimu fatigue in a headache, no alternate. Weja wunam yaw, no alternate. Pastor na lawyer, no alternate. Presented for count, no alternate. Kaya yo you follow them, no alternate. Mano mede, also no alternate. Yo.
Mami doctor, Badaruma, Domina Boami, wifey A2 Quino, near back, none of where, and over show to me or Shiny Swati, or see my bread, why hoya, Yemso Aenia, Menocasa, and Sat Trinitwa, I said, yeah, just said, dog, me pen quenchendru, me pediman who are turning tentum, Nami Nicolata, dog.
Oh, Kawakuma to him, but understand this. Say, Andy, a honey, and I said, Dimian, and I said, Namwa Mbin, yeah. And so, now what to say round worm, tape worm, whip worm. I would only be H. Mikoy, and yet, a face sweaty, muja, so they can even kill. Nancy, the whoop, a dread at a shake, yeah, Benyamson swinging idea. With my professional experience, I can boldly introduce to you Wemi 4D Wema, a single tablet of albendazole 400 milligram. The tablet, any insular to Bingo Pharmaceuticals, Edia. May more finding penny net me, you know, and no animatrix amount. Ubenya when me phones and some at top, baby at on you, yeah.
Tabinko, when we soon drew. Hey, yeah, that's too charming.
FBI shall say, Jedian Cat to Yajatum say, yeah.
Wedged between Ecclesiastes and Isaiah in the Bible, you will discover the Song of Solomon. You will meet the one and only. She is beautiful, she is my wife. Give me the highest mountain on which I will stand to declare. I'll let the whole world know, I'll let the whole world know that she is beautiful.
I had him 1.9. Now, Abusia, and then some more minority for HS agenda 111. Now, don't go for a cofa eba yeno. Senka wu hemwa. Ekawase Ministry of Health and one more edi hu jumani na. Nanso eneyi ede ade ene yehu wose ade na dane ebudichi ama ketahye pro ene kankan bi ekoso a yate asuye bi as say chief of staff ene ehwese agenda 111 ebekoso ade enso ke Ministry of Health edwumadie enso na yeyi ade efi wo mu nsem de ne si ye company bi ku ehweso no esika botia one what is it? You must say 5,000. And then ye this you might change at the amano, 7 is it a bedomusco. Now, Stranek, a forso, and they told Office of the Special Prosecutor in him, Sir AG, and you remove why your covenant in Sika, Abetobia, Sir, I be a wohono. Womuntu wana mo nani pa bibre bia otosun wo mu no sa nipa no ye mpa so twen emfama no racial friend aba ebi nkomra ebi nko na bi mra agro bia yesusu ani edi wura no atenase na wura no won ma je pine no won mo besom miwura kwaku owusu antwi akora wajine dwa no pay wo ba besom no my social commentator Dr. George Akom and so senior registrar Technology University Accra Anopei Obaba Transit. Na na yontina ko ye chichi ni onso ebegine dwa. Na Mira Koko entry at Transit. Menko Accra nchen na mebusa nse fie mpo etisei. Accra fie boko.
Nyame adum boko.
Bushafo nya ho ye.
Bia nyina atiapo.
Eta ho bo ade no ase. Do bo ade no ase. We di esima be se numtembi yenhwe resha framba bia watiti bi odi wani so afefe mu a ebi gina ba bi o mu gina bi wo so a odwumedie ni adane ani ama wonu makwa akopie ba bi foforo bi kura so wo ha wo mu a memu bi okura ya ka resha framba eje ko eje bu eje nya ba beju
no that's it. Chair ATF ni Ajinkwan production crew. Say obi nimu a na oto ni a obeka say e yakokra bi a addiction e kwa of us din sem kra edua no yero ho amo that's it. Richard for Numinya and
na mame mu bobi so na ye nhwe road and highways maintain, defense maintain, foreign affairs Osla Owusu Akufo ena aba, works and housing maintain, food and agriculture Samuel Atachia, Attorney General, Minister for Justice maintain, lands and natural resource Dambochi, local government Ignatius Bafo Ewua, trade and industry Abuchinapo, finance maintained and the way they maintain, health Matthew Opoku Prempe Napo, railway maintain, employment Obi Amwa, national security maintain, Minister of State at the presidency in charge of national security Ambus Delhi, fisheries maintain, communication upon Kroma maintain, education maintain, water and sanitation maintain, transport maintain, tourism, arts and culture, creative art maintain, environment maintain, national security maintain, information Herbert Krapper information, gender maintain, youth and sport maintain, energy Kwabena Tahiru Hammond Tiki
yeah Risha for the Kwambi Bree so
na finance die we onko
na me basu nature say Nana Kufado oni Ghana for ndini
mi wrade
o yete ha na MPP for no mrahye badwafo eye kokoso bi say on change the finance minister and o sinjo mate mema na ko ebresem no stress omoma ni ready budget ni enti say omu ready budget ni wie na ututu ana ma ho de kwekere pani na say na ayempo die sana mimi nti asem na tie reshuffle aye kan nyina na ye ofuriata ena obia ni siso enti se nanadu hu hia so betisa no na ono ano ne bekuro akosia se emra no ma no kwan se on appointed no disappointed nti so fi se de Ghana for kan de ne party ma wo mra hye badwamfo kan ontie nemum de obeya na obeya ye wo ho ye twen
akura se on se du baby a woni nipa nante wo hwe ni mudie wo hwe na ho keka ni nseyo adwumadene a wo yo a aya se nipa no wunya bibi sunku bi di manu dibia na dan ko kufu adu hu ni se yewura finance minister said he was in nanantie eno ma o memu da ho ma no ni dwumadie bia ni nyina ka ho bi
there be Ghana is no one enterprise enye obi adwuma obi a ofi se ekwan ofi se ofa so ye adwuma na be yi ena wo ye Ghana ye man ena ye chichire ena ye kabima minkambi amamu enye sojani na wakase
okay
maka meye and he said do no say finance minister no enko yi na sesana wo tiase epa wo mo chew say munya butre na ready budget ni afedi wo ba nipa na wo nkrofo tu wo manu asi ni so no wo sida on de on sesana oye obusuani ntira na and I said then what is new about Oforiata ENT? What is new?
Ghana phobic ka say you ko adwuma menu onko ampa na poaba.
Debi. Onu die no entity ho. Sana hene no. Fapim ni nyina gina sana hene. Ho na Ghana amamu no ni tiri eno no because sikasem na yesikasem ekoyi ana. Sese baby ayi gina eye. Sana yeso bi abuza.
Okay.
Enti se Nana Kufado free say Ghana for an MPP for nyina sa nipa kontekro ya onya akatua sa mimi no for ya tanka me kodada
okay
because adwuma wo ye no onya akatua so if it is true say adwuma wo ko no onya akatua na wo party force no pebe bi gina uzimenko and ana president nana Akufo-Addo for ya taye na ebusuan ntina ontim monitor so ana
nso ya
asem we die obia so we MPP ni so we NDC ni I think say Nana Akufo-Addo ye die mu bihwamo fi say emra no wo pagana nyina achew mesrem mu nso menhwe mesrem entu enuni ana wo bo amra bi ato agya MPP for no akwantinfiana me mentiase because the way Nana Akufo-Addo ebu man no as if say ono an enterprise bia ono an take decision enti say a drum pempenso a say MPP for no members of parliament netin so tesukoko na die enti omo yes endorsement na so omo mpeno no omo man who say yes omo ntuni papa na yes because Ghana is no one enterprise
Ghana enye nipa ba ko adwuma Mira Kwaku Usuantwi ene wate ne ka no nana ya ntina nko atranse nana akwa fie boko de
Mira oduma komada ho ma ko edi adom ye na aboan so
na no yete wonka kafra
yes
kafra
me tiemu de tie bia no Bible say de nyina mu yemfa aseda mo Nyankopon aseda na de ben rade o de ekremu bia de ese bia no Nyankopon nim se bitimi tino ma na to ye ya chekere ye ho were na de aseda nso ma mo tie na
kromfo na aba ne de mu ha adwi
nti dua na ba emre bia na me ka kire ma church fo ameta no mu hia se ushi abofra bi school mu menhwe no ne mfum so a wo ye na ento na gigi mu se ne oti bia no mmamfa so mra no so se mfa so ba akoda bia so a yentimi nyi crime mfri ho de ba do
so beti
you say mofra me nya sure say mpanifo na be ye me
dabi
ye memwa 17 18 19
mpanyi so si nipa bonfo to memu bia so ni bi
fama memu nyina nkwa do na be school dropouts samre no se bia go school ana se we use school no ye adwuma bi wo ye bibia they won't come and do what they did nti e be so say mpanifo na e do manager o mo no mbeboa na do na nsa nya bibi pa bia eden ayo
okay
nti e chewa tifo nana ba
ndio Dr. George Akom Accra ajinedwa ifie boko de
mini mbacho me hoye memwachi me nche mini entwi ni shia cha ya ndi me monkomo tuma do so fa ya kwaba ya fese bia obeba be ken ho se de ne wabe nti waba yesu ye ni aje chia ya papa je ni mbwati so ti pa
jo papa ya chiao reverend so be bia obi ya chiao Dr. Kankamboati dog we am yente wonka se die jumedie no doso
Eliana menja phone yetifo na ya magana ma nyina achi
okay
na yenkase de nyame ase se last week no be kan me ya ketu atinanko a problem no I'm happy say all that is say ni amasa ni nyina esi a yemfa to be ni enkoye nim yemhwese bi nye de NCB so da bia cancer ansem no bia obi fisi di agrose bibia we wi ase bia no ho mfa nipa enti makaje we se untimi ntete obaye ema obi susu a wontete ne baye wo fa ho ni it will never happen many entry bit matete ni ba kama but obi bit ma se
o sanfo bi wa be feel around
o hwen bankwara tete aye free bibi nature and nature the environment no influence the war nkwala no so entry bia no wo no isuban ye na bosuo me ye dia wo no ne babia mokro no but baby obekwa akopi ni tima osesa na say school a the Royal Reformation Center and what turn into deformation center and a deformation I mean use the word deformation say because nanke himself first you be a school or identity the abegwa society they say hokra ihusene baby am gra ubenya nka abakro say wa chire na the office so any possible because we live in a society a system or be a ka hu into yebesa ma yenu atena nko kafra ya yebehwe na daachi no ebi nsibiem se de na wo kan so yebenyame asese ne so yenya kwanya yebesom
Dr. George Akom na yatene nka no nana resafre nana ye ne yewura kokwantwi edi ho enkomoyi wode wani afem wate kakra simenu muntem yenhwe de wokọ de yasesa in a position and now dibula ne kura no e de foforo e de ama no de oda so jan ba bia which na kakra bi yenhwe
menua men chair na men chair tifo bi mu akwanya de ama ye ne emre to say si ni nkomo na ereba ma hwe mu a me hu se edikan nanado se ne na era kwekwintwi eka no ebiana ba nanado the Nanado I knew before he became the president, I'm shocked. Roma ministry sir, a what Ghana pa nanka any penny that's all say ye be reshuffle mono. I think say apart from trade ministry, why?
So health is where yaba.
Health. There's nothing wrong in the health apart from suspicion.
Okay.
A suspicion. And you free so will be a committed crime, and yet a reshuffling or reshuffle. And he say in free home. Auditor General's report about infractions, misapplications, and misappropriations. You will charge the responsible people. The a friend say Auditor General's report did not implicate Yenra Kweku Ajimamenu. It only cited some directors. And if indeed the reshuffle is meant to do what we are being told to believe, say it is coming to do. What happens to those directors now? Or in charge, cafe for Munsemo says he can. I coffee for baby no. And the Mira, sir, Osha, Minister for Defense, maintained. There's nothing wrong with the Ministry of Defense.
Debbie.
Bibia
maintain.
It is a BBA Chaye and you maintaining what they are. What about finance ministry?
Some say BBI a course in maintain.
So why
according to the commander in chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, now them Kufuade no said you won't no a different from said one soon.
We a laughable.
Oh
yeah. On the literature if we be sarcastic. Sarcasm. It room maybe also bribi to as appease the horse. Means that necessarily na hano here at least where you have fed your critics more weapon and more friends and reasons to attack you the more.
Sir.
Oh yeah. Go baby again kasa wono. E de say me yare na maba. Na edwe na bobo ni tu asa yade ya me yade kokram na da me hwinum. Na wa chime atre bubu me mowe. Kokram na da me hwinum ne mowe bubu. Da be na say ayaresa no is far from being realized. And to me I wish Nana hadn't done this.
Okay.
To be frank, because baby a gun of the engine of the economy is the finance ministry, which everybody knows. Senior politics in the will be I answer one best of a canoe crate here. Ghana and finance ministry. We are one side in charge of the economy, no, and the plan and everything about us. No, it's not functioning well. Oh, it's not well with them. Yes, I speak with you. There's been some warnings from various quarters. So banks are going to collapse. Some banks, on my way into you, all because of Jessica. So, any people out to you say, "One more thing you Jessica." We shall be man and Nimania, and you be a Sikasem. I don't want to say, what's a son be beyond one so Sikasem. Let us have grown a woody. To make us a sarcastic.
Okay.
This is purely political. Just to satisfy certain demands a bit more makey. But I wish Nana hadn't done this. In fact, I'm highly shocked. If there's any better word. Nana reshuffle in the current MPP government. Not the finance ministry. Yeah, it is the engine of all the other sectors. Now, finance ministry, nothing happened there. Yenenam energy, yenenam health. Trade. But what are we trying to achieve as a people? You see, this is one thing I've always said. There are two people in this our world. And nipa mi yunu ni wo wi ase about. Obo mutimi hwe no kura nim ka no kure. Eno mo hunu no kura na biribinti.
Otwa wi aguso.
Wo mo de wada. Eno na ama nana aye saa de awayi. Efisa na nya mpanimfo bi o mo pe no kure ka. no correct can any pen kind of correction now. I believe he wouldn't have done what this reshuffle. Because we see reshuffle comes with a lot of consultation. You would have to consult a lot of people. But be as it may, he is a president. You are only an advisor. So what can be now on par? On fire. What would you do? I believe whoever advised Nana would have told him, said, do something about the finance ministry. I don't know about it. Reshuffle here, me show me. It is way for the study of the students in school. Yes. Yeni use political science. Yeni government. Various schools, various centers for learning and education. You be saying, they are church on fair. But the reality, say, and fast will be, ever simply be, a woman we must say in the nothing's good.
Nadia Bibi Ebesesa, Nana Yontinanko, Edia, or the Evie Hono. Dog,
Ira,
Accra, such a yeno banana don't go for what I watching in Canton Clenchino, but their boss were for no. And tea a king Canton Clenchino Sotia, a biber bibeba, a bibetana. What are we when Yashimwa?
With my main can say, my main consider this as the usual antics for some publicity for some people because minyanya the authenticity of the whole issue. Intimi social media so enka ho asem because it is so be come to me create that opportunity for some people say be I am for time I be appointment de bia na foforo bako.
Okay.
And to want to say you benya the final document from Eugene say be away na esino mintimi nka ho bebre but what I will say is say no credit sana makan sanji ma me voice
yeah
because who pay bibia wo kra betimi dim dia hye say be I am fama me bin fi
Dr. Georgia come for education
ha ne bo ho e bin to yes as a means to kajo the president and as who say be ankrofo pe no the last time e buy no say be 10 we di enko and let me assume say sana wait until say Ebia Eugene the official letter but say that here dia sana tia fana akomani nti se koba say that here dia be yenkrofo so nwa kakra e was some ministries ni bi
okay
unse reshuffle no ya kasa obi anye tembia bedru president bia so na yemienu yemfa tinanko nkosi ha na yenyini nsi ho na menu antwi so nye de brem na de an nkrofo hwe ne kese pa ne se afoforo bebem because I'm saying the DJ ni muna na ede nti wo call for reshuffle ni ade ade na nye nkrofo ho no modern mo no mo ne mo hwe se wo nkrofo nso be ede ebewuram nti maintain na wo mo wan ya sa kukuro mo akosi hade a be sa ye nkrofo ya za ye kwesi kono ogina nkwantia because what na ngozi nka ate ya appoint me bia Minister for Communications and Digitalization senka wo kura wo wani beje nti sana ya na nka nkrofo hwani mu say oh bia amfie nan no edi ka party for mo doso party ma doso nti mo abesum kakra ma we mu nsusu mede e mesum bi ba se nipa kro no a omu mu na ya kukuru akosi ase dame ye tam we di kotu ya ha wo hwe the purpose of nkrofo call for no enye bebre de sa ntina obia no mampani kofo mampani dada kofo mde ne yemfato ho no tam oba ya otwa mfie nwotwe na afoforo abegum ama abi nso so ayede akotene kire that is the beauty of why nkrofo bebre call for reshuffle baby a se basa sa na be ya be hadwe kakra na sa enye nkrofo de ne the loss of confidence in the finance ministry will be ehwem ivi kra ya MPs ni bia sorry say nka bia se de adwumadi a ekoso sa sika kra bia ana sika foto samfo na kache wona yenyim free ho no nanka wodi akwanya ba ne yesesa ne yansesa no dia nka be yenkrofo nwanwa kakra minim there were two conditions the president Maya first no was say o me budget na afi nwi IMF deal no tibia na IMF deal no so nwi ye ntine bia no so person what na hwandi I think that the two conditions have not been met or satisfied ntibia as a base we ye no kore na oda so ho dia nanka ye hwe but koba se wo ye no bia whether he said IMF or whatever no nanka we dia wasenka money frame because there bia ye kan sa no say udi nipa foforo ba bibi mu a build the confidence. The last time I heard research, not the loss of confidence in the finance minister was carrying about 15%. Sebia unifru ha nkrofo mo lose trust in the economy ni nyina besa bounce back. Ntinka no advantage any other ministries bi a yɛsi bi nkɔtena sɛ bi mmra health nkurɔfoɔ bebree ka ho asɛm sɛ yɛma napo mmra hɔnom ne adeade but wohwɛ areas bi na sɛ obi yɛ adeɛ a ɛno na yɛsesa nsɛ sɛ kyinkyina a yɛnsesa no bi a te sɛ yɛkɔbɔ bɔɔ sɛ wohu sɛ yɛbɛduru paneti berɛ na sɛ mɛsi koraa bɛsɛ paneti yɛbɛtumi ayi no afiri mu ne nyinaa bi nso so yɛde ɛwɔ hɔ nti tam biara ne nkurɔfoɔ a yɛde ɔmokɔ ako but ma menka ne sɛ aduana sɛdeɛ woka yi sɛ saa na ɛteɛ deɛ a think sɛ nhyɛ da nyɛ anyɛ massive sɛdeɛ first na ɔmampani dada akofoɔ bɛyɛ a na obiara ho ɛprɛ no wɔanhyɛ da anyɛ massive sɛ wohu maintain bebree ɛna wɔn nso so a wɔn wɔ mu no bi ne yɛ cycle wɔn akokɔ baabi nti wohu nipa foforɔ bi wɔ mu
Atachia.
Atana so wadi minister dana.
Western housing. Wadi bi pen.
That's what I'm saying. So one several.
Yeah, several that.
One nipa fu from bi a obi kura say first time no di.
Obi ye baby.
He was a deputy. Yeah, one of the ministries, no a deputy. So they say ntinanka ye hwese bi anka foforo bi beti din foforo. Danka no so ama party for them so ampa me de enso so ya dey abem.
Katie Hammond dey na bi ebe.
Katie, okay, so no crowd emfa say offer mampani dada akofo so serve as deputy energy minister. Nti ono de emfa say bia emfa say nka for this term dey afina or ye dey or bem. Nti nkanya ade a meka say massive. Say na tie dey adu na meka say nye massive. Say the nkrofo everywhere because obi ehwe ni mu say in nkrofo bi bewuram because say omo ade a na dada no a.
Dada no a. Okay. Yo, Dr. George Akomna watene kano. Maame enko Mira Koku entry. Ehona yenhwe ensem a minority caucus kafa agenda 111 say scandal bi so aba honom a. Omo tie say program na say project bi a etise no. Ye wo fund bi a capital investment unit no wo health ministry wha come here responsible hu sensem nyina anka wonma bem ene da na chesenke ministry no an edi ho dwuma de hu ya say ye create agenda 111 secretariat no chief of staff ene ye ho adwuma enhye ne emra kwan so onye sa nanko say eba ana company bi kura no a no ye 2016 ye Com1 limited 2020 May mu wa bla agenda 111 dwumedi ese beba so na company no kwosesa ne bobre ama ye di se dwumedi ehye ne nsa ye be frɛ no Hospital Infrastructure Group Limited na wɔn mo kyerɛ sɛ sika kora na wɔn ne 5,000 as a started a startup capital to mu hu ne sɛ asɛ no ma bi ensisi so eye ade de senka ba bi a yaduro de nka agenda 111 na nimu a na ekɔ esi dey we asan ba minority be kan sei be ye be twindwe de na kɔlachi sei sa wɔn mo nsɛm ne nso mu sei
amanyɔsɛm de esi hu ani minority for no one wo as watchdogs enuma government to set it up because omu hu a enti de waye ni de onyaye no omu na e de beba bonten ye wa nkrofo enti se minority for no atu omu ne asi sa bia no a mfize nye mfumso bia ena sa company code and structure no menye sure say wato usisan o company din ene adwuma wo ya eno so nye
okay
eno so nye mra tiamra enti wo mra mu no menye sure say ade bi ha adwen me company KAO na ye tontare ye yefu edumre bi no ye change ye scope no e be kam If say emram no kwan so ko register general na say wo sa kwanya na
okay
no kwan nti ho no me hu bibia wo afei say president edi bibiba neso interest e was hadinum for example agenda 111 na say aban no move sa secretariat no to president so
okay
if say no so enya de bia enwa say opese e bia day to day
o de ani hu de ekoso
na ade a Ghana ha ya ha adwen pa ne say yesusu ade no kokro ansana ya bedwen hu say eden ene ye nye no
okay
eno no eduru ba bia de osuan ma hwene bo no nti anwe ya ye interpretations be brave say bia president no pe sika bia wia na say bibi me ye sure say president pe say bi o mpreduasa say obefa bibia enye presidency ho na obe create bibi na wase twa no ho nipa enu sim even among your children no matifia o ma miensa enye wo munyina na ti wase yo
dabi
ebi a wo kasa akola no wo ye vulnerable enti wo nkasa
hudi
wo silent communicators
no afa no adwen
ne bedru mre bi a anyina betim fom no obekire wo se afie wei ene eduamo bro enti ho no akoye bisipa ani koni na hahan senka covid ba yi na ye wo hospital ana say hospitals ni nyina gina mo na so a nka me fi say sa agenda 111 nka mfaso bia anhye den so but eden ye hu no ye man efrim retentina yetu ye ni si enkro akasiye so ejaye ye nkro nkuma no emu ewo apomuden dwumadie enu ntina ka president susu say ye hear more hospitals especially in the new regions na ya create no and sana facilities no bi also a say ya upgrade ni edi bisai e kan edinka agenda 111 on its own no kenya de ha dwen na yembusi ya ho say ya ho de esu ya kwankra na den the motivated president man no be ka say you pese you see hospital 111 e kan the existing ones na ye say political talks and say gimmicks bia ye nim say ade ne yentimi nye if you say ye TB you na ye say President Mahama former president or ka say ye here schools 200 afi bia obesi 50 nanka school 50 na say manu si a afi am fi say nye enoso say but emra ne mber so awoko no school no say na ne yesi
okay
enti I say Ghana no tembia no ye pagadi no kokro euphoria budget credit be yes her publicity no eno so ye sika kase a ebetima ye other things but yanwi hu say ye wo konfonochi ye wo we ye wo kuma say hospitals bebre and the other the existing ones na ye upgrade no na chinchina ye pese ye sakosi hospital no bi wo babi once other areas so wo a ye de ni hwe ho a enke bia ahoto kakra beba fi say nipa didi ye nipa nya adwuma ye nipa wa hota yare ye minimum ne bia wo breakfast ne wo lunch no udibom na anwumre wa pensu di ato so e pasa yare bia tini de uko enti kanana do ni yie mu pa di ame enka existing hospitals no na nke ye hwe ho ne apam ye ho atade ye kolebu kra de eye kakra konfo no chiso eye kakra but nka tonso agogo asasene da hodada enti government no asase ya to wola fa ho nti wo ba atonso agogo hospital akumase south hospital de ho ya ne say dan no na kri ye betima si dan ya ho no betima fa nipa over 1000 but ni ye jai ni akọ sewua enti we share your priorities now we don't set it right we just hop from one portion or one place to the other media mi madwim no yam fi say a political gimmicks
okay
nipa no be yam ya ka say obaye no onu so wei no aye but ye ya dwese ye chichire ye man agentry madia ye ntimi mpo hwe esenpo no untimi fada ko ye kakran na continuity projects are aban previous governments aye no so we are aban me fi say woto so a eno ensesa hwe
okay
fi say a champion dan ya osisi ho a ye butugu ye enye okutu a champion ni bottom ska ye Ghana ska ene ya destroy
okay
ndi say ye hwe ya namuntu ye henceforth se bibi e wo hɔ a wo ba ntempa no a ɛsɛ utumi yɛ de obetimi na sɛ political party no kura ka sɛ ɔno na start ya ebi tiase a ɔmo so be defend sɛ we so na beto aso na no ankoyɛ sɛ me na mabɛyɛ ade a obi nya bi da nti yam sɛ Stranek for no de echo special prosecutor sɛ onhwehwem enu ehia passen sɛ yɛde bɛyɛ debate na de bia enti the appropriate courts a omo yɛ investigation no omo hwehwem sɛ dwuru die bi wɔ mu a omo yɛ hu na afei yɛ hu kwan a yɛbɛfa so a yɛde bɛbɔ saa asɛm no po na yɛtuma move on na ko ba sɛ da bia we bɛka minority for no yi ba na na retreat sam
okay
we die special prosecutor no wonya akwanya sɛ ɛsɛ oye hwehwemu fa de ekɔ no ɛno na me fi sɛ ebetimi de akyekyere man because the rule of law emra ɛne yɛde ebetimi akyekyere man agya edimpa ɛde ato
ɛyɛ na minority ni person creative bi ana sɛ
oh debi say ohun say the three arms of government no mu nyina ya decro minority majority parliament one institution
okay
nipa wo mu nyina omu ya yonkofo aden pe speaker say NDC for no nyina to MPP ni ba ko to say no
okay
ena ba ko to eka ho that is the beauty of democracy enti say ka yi nyina betiase ehu se ye nipa kro ye man ba ko ne ye chichira say wo yire no makura na so obi e de adwen foforo ba enkan say hwe but yen ye krom ha de ehu ni say ye som ye political party no a e ma ya konya say yen ko som man mu no mo esne man no fi say we ye mrahye badwani a wodwuma ya miensa o constituent parliament as an institution and our party
okay
that is why so we create whip system party new leadership no be na e say no about we say
okay
but no kra no utimi down ho bi na si a omuda na omo to ma bagben instead of my kokoi no
okay
enti minority for no me hu boni bi a omo ye ana say no ma omo ye enso ani eye me say minority ni they are there to put government on its toes ema hu say no adi ma hwe ya but ni patrim de ayese huye mo jampem de wuchi ni di pa say eduana ba etamachi enso no bia
ntisa
omuna ni trim na osre na no enti ye human institution bibia ebekoso ewo parliament no me ya me hu no sonko efise wo mo be ye ho wo mo pie ya no wo mo no coffee together enti they are united
okay
hwe se NDC for adia wo mo ye mo se MPP for ka bi ma wo mo yonkofo so wo mo ekoje sika atoka they come together enti wo mu me hu so mu ache
okay
say assembly banaye partisan wo mu be throw chaff no into the air na bofa wiem na ho no wo mu sre enti yen timamfo yi na ese me ni da ho
okay
ni ehu say parliamentarians no wo mu dwumadie ye miensa na de wo mu pe at a point no ene wo mu ye
we pay at a point and one we mira kwaku ohuswantwi and I yatineka no nana
mira
yenti we akwa
mira say wo hwe ensemu ya akukoye aduana ba de wasa Ghana ni bi ehunu ni say Ghana politics over the years see ya no mo ye no yes the opposition wo hwe ba bia yira kwaku ende no a utie no a was omo wo bibi omo pa omo nyina kan bom eduna ba opposition parties and the minority. This is what they have always been doing to each other. Then you will be your minority and also opposition. They are able to see every wrong in this country. How many of such and MPP anka brano opposition? Name say how many of Saudi no mo buy almost this is 6 years.
Yeah.
Or much more prosecute and now more Ghana for who said near opposition near Kano. Indeed, Senate sir. And first of all, I want to set that premise to say Ghana for the 30 year no anasa Ghana for bebre no o kasa no mo je wo de wakota amanyuku ho if you say na minority ne bi omoye enti obi o minority a ya na emre passes will be can say betimi de na call minority. That is the premises I want to set. Other than that, obi enwure say your minorities and your opposition parties no. Usually what we find them do is to critique, usually to create problems for the certain government or the party in power so that they will get what we call emotional attachment and answer some sort of consolation from the public. I don't want to say emre pass obi ewo opposition and conform a penance party or government.
Okay.
Ebia na ekoso sisi yenwura akando ya wo kase. Edunaba I have gone through a lot of things he has said. What Otakasafa health.
So a ranking member.
I don't know about. But I know more time. Ena Ghana nya a number of issues with common malaria. Malaria.
Okay.
This man speaking now was there. So are they trying to tell us say what they are able to do is to expose. Yeah, they be the expose. But there has never been a solution from them.
Okay.
That's one premise of a person listeners. It's no muhunu. Some minorities, no. They be a don't be honest or more from Swabia or and just
okay.
This is a suspicion. They think that BB and Koyi and no man ahead a war agenda no mono. Now in any case, I don't know about young rather substantive matter. In as much as I'm saying, say, or more minority, they be a domo. You have a company in 2016. Company in a Jumedian or dealing general goods.
Okay.
Jane and Overton. After the bedroom 2020 now, a buying cars who obey agenda 111. Yeah, hospitals in OBC. No. Now, company na cost ding. Ama preko perna company no as say Jumedia or the shall say 2016 no. Preko per. Company a one na ebeji Jumedia ni say obey no. Sika dodo a wo here agenda 111 nye sika ketwa de ye. Company account sika no dey start here 5,000 Ghana cedis. These are substantive matters here say Ghana yen OSP the office of the special prosecutor through the attorney general's office no one say sanity na nabotaye bi eye bone etachira na
okay
eno de very good for them to have raised, but where we do not get them is the opposition, the minority omo be wrong with everything that there's a certain government will do, only to come and become defenders when they enter into the office. And only at the ambassador Ghana for we are in election, a year to election. This kind of gimmicks, this kind of they will do. Oh, how no do we have? Go for say just to buy people's attention, just to make sure say and call for better time are buying, and just also create an impression say they be a baby to officer or yeah, they don't about one when say Ubu kotoka se aho Onyankopon hwa otuo. Yes, Onyankopon hwa baby. Let me I have to. Onyankopon hwa baby. I don't know about wo ya manuku awo opposition. Abai project bia wo timi create impression say bibi koso ayenye. Enye mamimusa. Amanyofo no so omo ya government a de bia sa no mo ye ana. Yenra kando any the minority omukoye saa enra meeting no mamimu se omo e de na ba de ombe so mka kire say emire bia so omo amanyoko no omo Ghana fo ekoto abane de ma omo a ni omo ye eye krono no mo boy ana.
Okay.
Let's ask them. Because it seems say every project aban bia person wo ye no obi from the minority or the opposition
say
a channel or a medium be yebusa wo no mo 2012 from 2008 2012 to 2016 me pam chow sa no mo ye ya na.
Okay.
Now do they intend to use any policy projects bebre a yenram John Mahama yete Sadam asem yete confirm etutu ye yete yeti nsembebre me no kasa kura no de yenra John Dramani Mahama suku so osisi e bebre akeka wiram. The reasons are ebinum citing say sika ne fund any ade nyina amba ye bu say minority no say is it that the case say emre bi omo power omo the project Ghana for ye need aso so omo ye de aboa no omo the boy kro no ana
okay
I think anu ye no wo omo aho sa anu ye ni omo ho de omo hunu say abaya de botachi ne no
emubu ye
eno ma de bia omo ba omo hunu bibi pa bia wo bia mu aba bia edina ba say I have said this on your platform say amanyofo no the MPP and the NDC majorly no wo mu ana say hoyo bia be ba ma we mu a obeba na ne omo ye you mu free 1992 aye de bia omo ba omo ho ma de bia ye nso pa wo bi de bia ye nu obi atam say bi na ba if indeed you find it worthy say project the agenda 111 BB Kosia Enya. Can't you go to the OSP or any other office and make complaint without having a press conference? What is the intention?
Okay.
You person who you born many money and yadi. You create impression about a government. Say they be omunye ni yadi. Okay. We are not saying this will be yadi enya. Name the energy, the kind of person create. Ewo menum na just will be ehunu so will be ya de anye edona ba so will be ya adwuma wo agenda ho anwon ye ken no what to feature hu na kira ba he say
okay
you are even putting the lives of people who work there at risk and ya obi wa manukum no wo minority obi wa manukum no ye oppositioner you munsusu ha homoni the way am kan nsem asabi ebewie no omu anum say nya no kre.
Okay.
How many times have we not heard political actors saying they can you said it on the heat and as a
political talk
by the heat of the time and the heat of the time and now they na cause won't you can say you muntimi substantiate many of the claims they make when they are in oppositions and later when they come into government they are not able to substantiate it. Okay. And we are begging them.
Okay.
In as much as the Omo can may have told you, say, campaign I established 2016, it ought to be investigated.
Okay.
But not until an investigation has been done and concluded and facts made, say, the year cannot no creno. Let us not preempt, so as not to put people's life at risk and then create some sort of a hoyo, a woman, they be an answer, a baby, no, a channel, a bible from a back. If not this MPP government,
about Mira, and Yati Nenka no Nana Tinanko na Mameko na Dr. George Akomakra. Also Indian.
That's it. Mamincha Madesha was a chef from planes. Discussion I had it. Because me heard Commonwealth Etrichene, baby, the first two speakers na Kanwa. They are on course. MP Kasafa, the part of registration, you call business registration, sanity.
Okay.
And maybe I'm not an council, so the baby, yes, sir. BBI, BBI, so soon prayer home, the move one thing. A baby, anyhow, by Mekasa will be and criticizing. That is democracy. Now, BBI, so democracy and a tribal on transparency and accountability. So, I'm a pie, pillars here, and my democracy no yajuma. Na me de say mini entry can work can say enyam from so say we business be able to change we focus on our scope. But don't forget say business be as STBR is to get work to do and get profit.
Okay.
That's why they go for bidding. Say me matesi CBB beba na me business limit my change na kusiki a contract I was to me here. And the purpose of the 111 agenda was to involve local contractors to create jobs. And this is a meme company na me fee say ebia make my change yakobe dibi na me kona me kobedia. Why not? We are all Ghanaians and mfum kwan. And this is a bus a company na changing the din. So call Registrar General maybe a register or adeba common pay the friend escalation. Escalation is a company be deal or na also computer na minimum to the register business. O my boss any the crab bear. Yeah, my own fa. The friend escalation. Apart from that, no business be a baby requirements. And Sanya ma acquired a say sole proprietorship or as a partnership or whatever form of business or ownership type our person would be BBR. Now what we say, you say ukoya so na contract the amount. Some of them no we tender we go through all these processes and so. But don't forget the politics and so yeah. Say obi susu benya ho mfaso.
Okay.
Enti na makachi we say we are from political entrepreneurs. Enti wo susu ba, wo susu so mu didi.
Sa
enti se ba ai, de ya na wo say hwe ne say ade a ye de ahye won sa no. Umfa sika nkodi bra ade no yesi ye no ntimi nya dey enye say business ye bebie ni no say bebie na china wo capacity to execute the contract no the key. Ubi betima be a company 100 years be no capacity to do any type of contract the eba ubi betima be ahwe the current situation sample consultants and expertise no the contract and to the time of opening the company or registering the company and whatever I don't see as a problem. It's about your capacity to execute the contract and only here and into a contract we do need Ghana for you will be obey as young for more day but as I said, the focus of the 1-1 Senka, you be local contractors. We say only local contractors and cry Ejuma and send them sick as them conform. Ya no mono, so more expertise and more how I be brave. We hear Quanya, ye do a mokai. Say, Bruce for the do a moka. Our local contractors or more coma be to Quan Grady, Caterpillar Crabby systems of Macabian coma. And Newton and Cadibia, charity begins at home. And that is why I now or more yenisa. Project ba na ye penintemo ye okwan ye faso ediye so kai presidential special initiative kasava no se na wo anya afum djuma adinti ne de call presidency ho distance led kwala no de no presidential initiative on learning obampani that time kwala TV so ade yi so education ministry ho ade na ankohye ho so if you kra no de omo kan the implementation committee so mo behwe agenda 9 contem and we have development partners in governance. You can't work in isolation because we are our community of finance or our community of health and the American presidential special initiatives will be our sector belong but the bad presidents were when same say chinchina ade na wo ye no wani sem tina projects am pen intentem no mo deta ko ho no we say NEP national entrepreneurship and innovation program no nyina so wo hwe ne sector wo say ko alanche matin or trade ho meboa any other ministry of labor and employment relations so ho na nka wo say ko say nyina ya adwuma nam ne ade but aban ne hwe se bia wo pese wo man ye ntem wo timi de ba ho for scholarship secretariat say nke de be education. But because of say was a special and you pay man attention. The most important thing is say unflouto all the regulations in the other checks I work on. And only the purpose because I mean sure say a war presidency where finance minister and kahun, Ministry of Health and so day and all the sectors related via no better ebe kaho. And the year no the here can see women say chrono day. And this our question dear. Me dear to me I don't see it to be any problem. Tinankwa make a very profound statements. I like it because and na me be no nanka me be ka say last week me bow so politics in tea or man and the chichere no one where you be chinchim ni sa say radio ye chimney kosro ye chima bafom e kosro na baf sa na e ba be ye. Enti saa na aya ama yentimi nya de enkoye nim tina no kra omu bisa am afidie so e ma me ka kire nkrofo se multi party democracy no eno na ekum abibiman ene Ghana ha because ade bia bebe bia saa tefra hwe ase mutu a na wadai ya na wo ne nan obi a wo opposition bia no nye MPP nko na nye ndisi saa na ye trend ya ye de faso
na ye
emwa ye that's what I'm saying enti bia ya bedru no wo se we are opposition o ko na ko hwe ne ma enkoyi that is why they are there but enye bibia if sabi ba be tu futuru agu nkrofo ani na change even ade no kra afe me nu yantwi site free senior high school ntu ka office yesisi awi a me de obonso de mani abre da bia me bo ho de so mumie ma me e ka awura mu school a yesi ye day school a nkrofo bebam no jesu obi ko fa nyurofi no wa ba school obi ma ba day school ubi kura odobonso no pese okoha jesu osa afaka the goma for azokefo funsuafo pese ombabia jesu omfaka kitimi ye yanka mani beje na ban ba ye wode sabi wode say boarding aba be dey aba be ka ho enti we mu nyina ye similar projects a ba ya enkura ye ntimi anya dey anwie wo hwe ba bia ye nya issue there was a gap and there was a deficit in terms of district hospitals time wa covid bae ubu e chi no agisi man so dese edini ko nearby hospital bi anase bi to a longer distance and na ba ne sanity dey yentre ashim nanke ye hwe unse o start o mko giska o Ghana investment or the say infrastructure fund give senko mumma about $100 million say seed money nanki ye hwese project ni be for unforeseeable events enti say ekoduru ba bi na se bia enu nti enkrofo bi si wo mu de be ye ade tia aban anke ye de ye hwese sabri kwanke sisi a enke be ye da esa se de me kana esa wo man no da bia ye hu ne puma sibre but me de da bia me koso aka se amanyo nti enya de ese wo man no ebe konanim na de hadwene nso so ne se nipa tia se de nothing ankoka no kra na ye me dekese se enipa obia wo aban bia ne ho ehi wo so bia ka bia ma binder enye ne party ni enu obeka bia ma na other people both opposition floating people ni obia nka bi ma bai saa na tie enti na ya na me ka che se obi ye opposition wo ka se na wo bon se mama no ya na ye mesiri because ono so ba saa no be ye si ye ka se ye be list akoso and nke ye nwie ne and that is what I have always said say I don't like what we call politics of equalization because we are here ke sa be ya saa ne be so we chira unimade papa
that is that me to
ai dane so asa and you hear say ne yeti ya we ya asi se nyame ya dum na se party fufuro ba bia MPP call na party fufuro ba wo ka bia onso be ba be defend
okay
sa na de chechiro man which is not the best ndi ye nu akando say omo be hwehwe mu a akwanya wo ho se omo be hwehwe me tembia basically die ni adada obi en ho support because Pope John Paul was say what they say corruption is paid by the poor wo hia ni mobro wa no wona say corruption ebemu a wo bre because you see America yan ka me penkonwa kogu sacha family robonso school ya minyan omom to ho na ebre obi an kesika obi adi no nkebetima to nkonwa nti no say is being paid by the poor and here na hiafo no de hia ni say ye behwe sisika aban no e de yenwuma na be ye ne pepepe ba se obi say o be gina so akansam agu asuma ye de saa asum desem se wo be ti say o yesi aban dia na obi e bonesem esa dane a saa ne be saa tinti si ye accountability aye hwe na emra no ne ade hwe America o democracy no o mo no nya democracy bia e de no mo ye o wo se o pa ka ho mpesu ajai enu nti ye je oto a no antu ade na o pe no ye mfa nya de ye mfa ma se me nua ntwi se wo kwa America na ne ka ne root weirdness wu a ontimi ntu utukura anu a ye beje scan
yeah
na no nkrofo was before there so was on buy no hu za kwa ne bibini o kwa America ho unse hono kan mo pake o se ni nyina ni hwefa ako ono hu se kwa da ha no ye brede unse gane hu se kwa da benkum so o da akohye ho ye nya ne saa wo so be ne nkrata ahye so obi amfa ho pa akọ ye da envelope enu ya twere you have to go and pay this in a certain bank this amount on a certain date oko twa picture nyina mo ko pa akọ me hwe okoye kwa da ho se wo pese wo de kohye ho bra etiamra aha ngo de besi pa
ko na no sa ko e bibini
ai wase any mama say obi be yes because aja ye kwa cars ye nye ne sa no wase o colleges me grove Ghana ni a wakopie America we ya so am fan kohye ho wo da kohye ho on fizi wo beba no afa no ho adi enti se ye yes na ma ni nyina adua na de me kan susu ni se bibi e wo wiase bia democracy yenso betima ye de ye de hia ne se ye benya ntiase se ensemu e beba bonten ye betase ne se besepa adi koni haban enti ne de bia ya meta ka kiro se political misinformation and disinformation is a threat to good governance.
Okay.
You know, na ekum wo man no pa.
Dr. George
He wants. What's the wedding easy? Oh, you butu ankasa. Wakaka.
Messi, Lufat na wajima where you?
Hey, malaria drew Lufat. Jama wedding where your hospital.
Sister, where I imagine there. Few hours to my wedding. No Monsieur Semu huma yeshepe. Minketa was mikuniya. My husband is sick.
Hey, Jama Tonodo. Na bazi no yen.
What's the water tested positive for malaria?
No, na been to one for ambulance na one.
Up ambulance. It's not a bicycle.
Hey, no, nyasi from Kakabo.
No, kick. Menyeme wedding gonna me make up nina. Sometimes.
That's right.
Nearest pharmacy. So one meji Lufat.
Entrance pharmaceuticals for one malaria druna.
Inyo. No ye na. One chair. Mukuno china nenadri. A brante pa.
No kuniso. No pona waka that you may kiss the bride. If you want to show day.
No donna. Mano ni ye donne.
Indeed, woman malaria and kawon to them. Lufat. A malaria drop test for malaria before treatment. FDA ahwehwesa edwede nkratoi ajatum se eye.
Mwaba abina National Lande Aveya Beja Kasina Bega Afina Majuma no Beko Swankasa Bema now we inflation actually for what say potos no anyway near Gisaro and then what to be ana Masa Choco ya yes is Siane Abi National Unia Abi Dien Ani Abi National Sika Krabia Fufra wodi oboso bia hwe wo mo won hyehyeye papa ebeso wo ha nyina no na botre wo boni ahohare a wodi ye adwuma no masa wani beji keke enti even me Abi National for yi omo we adum kejeti ha yi a woni ajakum dan na di ntwa ni mu chale na odi mrika kwa he only me how do you know my problem enti ko Abi National krabata bia ben wonne na hunu sika krabia musumpa se wo nsembise bia freyensi a e 0322 002 922 Abi National basum jiesafo e wo sika kremu
Eyo radi yayo mimu je odo ne be kunu enku sen enye me kunu nka no pe me shawo damage bi papa kofa be si ha manu bi enkode nyina num bi amye we nyina ko woda so bo wa so di nti wo se dem enti to Bingo Pharmaceuticals kofa syrup power dia bai enti wonte ye wo kofa baby enkodan toto fewa ebro wo mo ebra wo bo wa na kofa child na so de enkodan enyu no ebro wo mo wo mbu hyeso wo wo mu a esie etu asie kra na kofa adult de empanifo de no no na kofa family wo pagidu etu akoto Bingo Pharmaceuticals se wonu kofa nansa na wo ho antowo a ko hu doctor kofa syrup sadia meriye di ho dansie die masum se
FDA surgery nkwatwe mu ajatum say ye
anti pharmacist me fiefo nyina tipa wom na nsonsono ye wom kakra ne se me yiri tipa ye no kata ne hwene nyina asisi me ba no nso ho na mre waye se boho na me die asmani tutu agufom e de asoro ben bia be ja me so a edwa me ga na wonhwe me fie de ho de no na me yiri nso fie de e yedwetwam nti we se emfiri fie wodi emfiri ba bia de a na ni aduro bai David ora tipa ye de wabadwuma mu se pharmacist no me hu bia enti to wase o wife tipa ye na ase kata aka ho good eno obehia entramodi ana woso bane tipa ye nso amana ye mre okay eno obehia entramol ankasa ana wodi no nso wo se edwa ga all right that is tension headache or migraine okay wo obehia entramol plus with the na no fear for nom no said the matrama wo no pepepe Entramo di ni Entramo plus no enyagro etuti pa yasi de kude nti se ubetna ho na etia pa wo de a ene wa wasa wo
FBI hwe se adwedie nkratu agya tum se ye
abusa for da mas samo twe ni adwedie ba haya wazo ampo akasa fidie so yanto aso na yenko amenko miwura entwi ho na Stranek ensem bia wono ede to OSP enimu efa AG anamontu a otu ye hwehwemu a wayo se na da Roma be yanko nya asem mu hwehwemu na Ghana no da bia na de mefa eja de mefa eno na ama Ghana ewie se amwako ene edui ya mansa ko dwa wa medu internet amane Ghana baby ya ba bidu ne sa no ma wi ya yewura yenhwe anamontu a ana secretary ade secretary Stranek de ma eye OSP ne kwanso ano no nempo ye bisa se ne kwanso a ebe ye adwuma
na me kafa agenda 111 no me tisi abonten de Stranek no be shi but ni na so say eben COVID ya hu ena amasa investigations
yeah
enam emhwehwemu a auditor general edi aba say ne kwan so ano na say auditing ana auditors eba won chen ansana omubeye ene publication no omumawo ansa queries na omo do omo final report number still say uko parliament na say committee a omuhwehwe sampens public account committee no omuso efrewa omubusa nti because nkuntabodie edin ebi ho anifa so nti ya akwanya bebre ho se ye nhwehwemu nti baby a akodu no perfect na se auditor general the report bi ba na se ye bon professor bo a yete na omu hwehwemu wie na ye hu se nipa no enifo a yente so omu giska no so a yente nti adentina auditor general no ye man powers a omu abetuma prosecute na tembia gise ye de konante onse Obama ba Ghana no who say institutions no and strong. Tina Oka say we should build strong institutions. So institutions no a year juma ye ne jina na so penia sansem we no. But wo hwe yemra no ne se de yesi ato institutions na petina. Omo ahodin no sa.
Okay.
Tembia just we ko yewe no de amawe na afi asem na ye nwan. Ebedru final point no na de hia pa na yente.
Okay.
Enti say your constitution no ye hwem ye na sense bi wo ne ye ne be ye ya ye nya nanim ya. If it's sika nwunugu no. There are yet no especially auditor general ordinary report no ba. Seska no do so sika besia ye kopi. Adentina ye to ye hu sei. Say invention bi amabi mu dabi okay ye here obias bi yenya de ye here advancement.
Okay.
Mobile phone eba that time na me ye adwuma otema habo na me boss ko tobi eti sei
kakraka
ye na mane kura me
if you raje to me ho
enu na pull tin ni ka so ne office ene smartphone ujina yeah, them high way. Yet said yet America because we went to Google location
sir,
depending on the kind of phone that you use. If you say a camp one, not then ye bibia de nim tititi no one ye jina so ye. To say if you are not a buyer to the sense who ya cross will be the classroom French. Canadian universities open book examination. Oh yeah, exams. Yeah, the textbook no to anim say hwem. Ya be kire page a answer no say ye me enwe. And no my is smart. You was smart kitchen. Uko abruchira ye wo aduane e wo store wo to ba wo de share microwave match 4 minutes ready to eat. There are cities that you enter almost obi abeka obi apie. Na den ye the institutions no the ye nim tititititi na office bu akwa ehun tutun papers yi sum won I chimfutro and ade who pia wa who is wrong place and ya brofun pa o ye enam dwurum ni nyina ye nim de ye no na nam dwurum any greed adifudu pe.
Okay.
Get assistenti ye nyedie enti ye de kokto ha ni apagya ko na GP abam na auditor general no grade ye o kana sam a ya no wo mobo ye 3 sam ya nsisan mezi ye begina ha wo ye moba ye chi enti se ye omode akoma akosipita onu kra no de amidu ye ya no wo to aso se de wu kasa bebre e de no mo ye Attorney General ho, SPO ho, we ho. Me say, crowy. Emrashi shadi ye ho adie. Na kase
emra. Ya be ye dwuma. Mira kwakwo so antwi no atene ka no nana.
Mira.
Entie we.
Renaba. On say my can wo video so da say enoma mi ho no na say wo kan ka wan kan kranka ye. Ebia ne sa auditor general's report no say o mo antwa I believe ebeye asen say afi every year ahomachi the ma me late akra me koya akopim say 97 or say 96 and remember every year ahreho enti why ya no mo sheda e de betete anase dey because we are abeto we see ya na ebe no ye be dinner trench
say mandated by constitution. You cannot frown upon
too much law. Breaks heart. Embra bebre ebubu akoma de bia werebe ho. Embra de ho. So we call security for more documents are more classified documents, more highly classified and more classified. I think it is about time say Lord and the church change from Montreal Attorney General's friends AG's reports every year. And review this on classifying. Omo yom don't find common security for. Momo man about the public domain. Ne breaky heart. Share also baby and penifui man Mr. Apak. If you listen to him as an opposition leader, and then the commentaries about what he suspects to be first of all embezzlement, misappropriation, misapplication. Now we are wrapping up say Nana Addo is playing like Unhuni or he is playing ignorance of what is happening. Citing said 21 billion Ghana cedis during the COVID era in 2019 was given to Ghana. I from different sources. I think I have sat on this your machine, your station, and then espoused the sources of the income we have. And according to Mr. Apak, was say 11 billion was accounted for. To him, he believes, per the reports, 9 billion is missing. Now, that's what the 9 billion he said they have been embezzled, misappropriated, and have been stolen. And remember, opposition, it goes back to buttress the earlier point I did make. Say, Shawaz no use one, Yavia, Yamfa Juma, I was say, DJ, and then he used the word disputed. Yes, sir, Sikas went to me. And remember, what you got is Sikana for and Saz and Pacho Sika and Tonto and answer. You sure? What Yasiska Watabai. And who created you see, Sikano, you know, 2019 year old man. Obinja baby cross Sikano unify. Yante had an amount for a phone so 5,000 betos. And remember, young Rapak on the Ghana. Okay. Oh, Hana 700 Ghana, 500 Ghana. Yan will be an Akoma Wemo. Let us not do this to ourselves as a people. Yes. May say nobody's against accountability. See this account will be no way account to be one more. I don't know about umpe. Name Sanyani ha ye can some fire near home. And say at the me offer us PhD. Pull him down. Yana ye be brave to do. I don't know about the words and some for the various commentaries. Ya man for running on COVID no. And didn't come back see we yana. I don't know about yata kan se mesi ye ntra ho masika ye masika na ho na nipa begu ase de nkesika ne de na mitie mu na wo try to quote the Bible say Bible quotation bi o say ye ma wo be ka nipa menu ansa ne akofa nkabrechefo abade a na nkabrechefo no fa so be na wo so baby nso. We should not be doing these things for ourselves. We should not be people I don't know about only nipa na mo ho na or suspect to be suspicion it break every relationship. Maybe who say suspicion and the counter suspicion no idea ya man for wo free say no ho enu nti obi wo ho dia no odi bibi. Okay. 21 billion Ghana cedis has been accounted for by the finance ministry during a budget review no a budget your friend say you know koye no. I came here, my records are not here. I kept to say all this things here. Why are we trying to say 11 billion was spent and 9 billion isn't spent, wasn't spent, and that somebody may have misappropriated it or embezzled it? And this will be a deal. Must we organize your friend is saying press conference. If you know about thing.
You found for quarantine so.
Okay, no, ya nhwe ya. I don't know about. Me a victim of many of such circumstances to me. Wobetumi ahia obi. Ebi o ha nyasa by force o. The way ni panete no, o wose wo sika wo guto de ma no. I don't know about enkwada ye kire o ma de. Eduru mre bi na se wa ntu boto ma akwada no. Ne ta tinti. Because baby o free ba if you no free mu ba no. Hwi ni ho. Asante se aduane wo fie ye nka nkyira akwada so o me nko ahabayere. We have a lot of people again about all the ones in the command and now the second and some so go pun be beko. Amanya fone no one mo ye no mo in danger of more life e wura park ka ho. San sam na de bia ye tena wonten de omudi esiko omudi esi ewure ni patrimo. I don't know about we are in a year ye beko 2024. Na de bia mo ka che ne say wo mo de o man no ye di ja wo no. Ni o mutimi ye high kro no mo bo man no. The NDC and any minority, any commentator, all Kasansem women should be mindful of the fact say, Asante say, Saboja Bumbo Kura, we hear ni na no my day. And some ya catch a hono. Me ya boy Juma, I don't know about matters about what talk to 30%, but in nominal term, me go here, Sikan, the Beckham is 300 Ghana cedis. About what talk to him. And then I sit at home, me to come. Ekwa Juma na me betre fie na de medie hu ya me de medan ka hu ya me de bia me plot bia makoto mini sikanti BBC atasa makoton na fe mete se yes 21 billion e bia na 21 billion de me apia betra hu se me nkan e wodan ma menwio na ye use this words amete ase se e ye obi na ebokro no a na wo de etuo be se me se ma menkodie wu e do about some of these things that our politicians say. We are not saying this will be your bonnet and also will be the money. Okay. But they should be mindful of the prayer of Faso can some. They did this my yourself in 1992, Fourth Republic. Maya Namaso, near Kumbinum, near Bobutio, and no more baby Passan, Abapamone. I'm on the four. I, the minority, I don't do a more parliament. Monka the Ben, a mobile press conference, or many more dinty. More to my country also once in the po I'm the Magana for. They should stop playing on our intelligence. Okay. People are no more children. Young ground crab Ghana for you need that whole no maybe home. No one can say I ben or more born and nano. Any woman you need be once why the Ghana Sikaja would ye free say who to me. I don't know Emre Yeningazo. Debbie Cra Emre Yeningazo. Okay. A time will come. We will reckon. Time will reckon them. Okay. It will no imagine say. Omo ye bibia mo fe nipa kuma mediagro. Omo kikan se mo ye nuzu to me. And e rapa ko catch me say obi am be say 9 billion a me ko yende. What do you expect me to do? You are parliamentarian. Who now want access to courts. And this kind mo kwaje ma yente dan ke beta say rapa ko be e say oh Ghana penny be di 9 billion me di akoko to akoji eni. That is what we're going to do.
And then me we can say Auditor General I didn't say no bar. Only you sika say baby akwa akoduro ye kwaji sika no Ghana ni wonti asem no kokotwa ye wenti ye prosecute obi a eno ye yenti the atia ya attorney Auditor General
every year in year out infractions they be na mo kan sem say mu wiye sika no na eni amo ka kire se mu wiye sika ye ntimi nya mo hwe na de bia mo kuso amo ka kire
ade ba ko aya na ye me nwanwa wo besi fom ya ye kan o sika no we ni o yes one fan go to we ni wadi go to we at the end of the day wo pesika nso wo hu
adwana ba
yes sika nso a ye ni
doctor akomta kan se bi say na how the fire say ya ye mo no a che do
okay
adwana ba me de ma no sie no our people in authority womo edu o meyeja womo ya womo na wotumi member of parliaments ahodo no a emre be mo na wo access to information dey bi o mo de ba public ni mu ebe play on our intelligence no obomu say a time will come once ade na mo ye no abeso ye tia womo eduna ba emre wiedu say amanyofo ema ye hunu actions than kasa because kasa de obi atia ofa na say ni wote no otia say ne say ni opeso de you sani ebeya in the future no yenya yenso aye man ko boni fi yase edua na ba ayi your friend say wo hwe the report here all can say sika 21 ho ni na yera no no mo de koma OSP no now OSP I don't know about my draw videos I can say he was just appointed to fill a vacuum.
Debbie.
I don't know about and said it. Kono to aso hobra.
Oh. Medasi unse yensem na ye kano yensem na ye kan related o. Related on the premises say nsem ya kan nyina ya de kro. Ekobe wie de ye kan nyina ye kwa sadisi na name. Chi de bia ya meta no kan Martin Luther King Jr. o kan was say a nation or civilization that continues to produce soft-minded men purchases its own spiritual death on installment plan. Asem we so na da bia me kan ya na ye nya brand no mu asukuni dia was who produce soft-minded people you end up giving a country on installmental plan by death. To mana ni yedine ye ku o mana ni ye ku ni kakran
mercy killing.
Ye ku ni kakran. Said the mini atina nkone mini antwi akan. Da bia maka kire nkrofo say Auditor General's report no is for political benefit but not for national benefit.
And you free way.
Said niam e free mo ba no aye no yetia na yasome ye de no. Eno ntina e bia obu ha ofi say bia ya anya e bia be hadwene. By law o se ye but o se yesua de ensusu free. Se wo hwesika se ye kwan mefa kwa bobo 3 billion. Na se sika ti se na yesi nkrofo adia ana se na nka
do so te de kwa kwaji no
wa se na mpesa me kirewo say in reality de nkrofo be kama ya nkrofo asum de no eno na ehia hwe na me ka che nkrofo ofidie bi so se Ghana enye ha Ghana fo no mtrimo odin amanyofo na ama Ghana fo trimo ayede so omumwa o ma ne kikire se wo kaso bi diska na o se nipa no metua to a ebe de na hye nkuna am na tua
o ma
ontu ne ho nche ewu bibi mu a ebe de no aye dai obe de no waye ensem a ye kagu ya asum ema ebi fi se bi aban wote so ene bi a wo di ni pawu no eno na ama abewie ye sei since time immemorial say what hear the trajectory of Auditors General report any sika e bia say ya wo ka bom kura enka etimi kura chichiri Ghana nyina awie na the esre ne say the bia e bebia na obi anya political advantage enti de womu no a e bia e beboa mankrofo atiase ne wonka se we oba esika da so din ya boss esika se ye bosika ne buo ne team na unya tiwie pese yesese na ayira se where Auditors General reports when you be aka some of them is about 1,000 pages e better than waka we yawie enti se obi ko no twafa bi ehia no a no de ababontin e no mu wi a mo ye summary e hwe irregularities ni nyina no masama abse sika ya ni ebi o ha ye misapplication ebi wo ha ye receipt ye nipa na mfa anko woni sasa the time mo be ba report no o mo ba wi a se me mabetwa de kwa na me ko kageti aba ko gi receipt aba na mantima meto no mo soro kwa o mo ba azum se sika no medi enti be bambi na ye de ko enu ti no mo de ko wi a ye mankrofo akanya mo ko public accounts committee o mo wi ni nyina ye de bi to so refer management letter in the state say eduana you say we you see ni yama na kwanya no me ya no because your system no sometimes it create avenues for some of the irregularities
ana ka bebe so over the years AG Auditor General dinidwume sa terminology
I wo ho sa
miss why infractions
irregularities gende
ye hu time wa AG atu anama ya ka se swateda
but o compare feed you know in total no sika a call from ira no ba from the previous years but yes but me person me kire say measures no aye di gu akwam say ye him kina ye betima ye me ka me susu say ye pese ye ya ye betima ye because abefo hu sensen be wura mu no nti call from enti na me ni antwi ye adwuma say ye yire ye hu abru kire no mo nya soro abofo masa omkura de so mo nyansa ye de bokro no omkura na first but systems no na so rigid e ma wo kwan e ma wo nye he man kan jo se da me ba ha me paint am na be paint school dan me chini krom ha nyama nya painter because obi any receipt it is a base me adwuma no agese me de ana certificate ana certificate no so metima bom tirim atwere sika mpahye so waya adwuma ne kono enti your system no so support sa niema no ye ko yasimu nko didi na mama o take away a such me man to me de maun me boa enti me na me call me nua ntwi ho na me koto phrase o me nua ayi me beto me ma o 15 by the end 20 a so what you say easily enti system no ayi wom no so support. That is why we are all interested in supporting the danger agenda of digitalization say mrem but say yes ye di akire na e bia we ye di say no eno de bia wo beti bi but the bottom line is we are here can stand there come dim the kaku dia we kure nyanko parliament o say accounts committee ni we are be ko parliament na wo bia ya say charge ni bia no ya ma no ni nasodie anase nasotwe eno na ya na nke hia se nke we are yesisika no ana no ye ka se nkrofo adi yakwaje mu say yo na magana fo nya confidence o ampa say no mu ni ampa na mum e fa ba bi na ye ntimi mu hu kwata at the time wa audit no ye dey e baso ba wonte because of political expediency say obi benya say ato obi trim say 21 something how much 21 say billion a year no 21.3 ba ye ba wie no na bi kura obi a de ne dia ba omso a omdo duly omo adi no omso so be kwa akodem bra bi ahwe kura wonye de wonte enti amasa auditors general report no ayade a downplay your intelligence on the fact say you feel say you pese o man kura nko bi akura de ne nsa be ka ho am ya ye hu bibi and I think say the reporting system ayade ye no kura no is not the right at the same time yan kasa systems egu akwa mu a ye de boa man niam we yate so no entimi nko institutions na de chichiro man but William Penn say if men be good, government cannot be bad. Okay. We be kona mpanifo a niam an hyehyɛ wɔn nsa no ɛne na ayɛ na no mbusa me sa perception corruption perception there. Messi say now it is moving from government level to individual level. A free ho because aban niam de say ani achi but individuals so a wɔn yɛ involve a bi a sɛ wɔn no disika yɛ nkɔ ba bia no. Say I am edi hu nkomo by the side when it yi na me catch us all developed countries no corruption na nkrofo fa ho awi aban fa ho nyesika kura asene esene do mo boye because ye chiwa sika ye be je free ho no kura no it will deter you to engage yourself in that corruption uko some of the states in your ha omtumi kura sha police for ne say wonyere mo ho nche nkrofo ne mfa nye bridge Ghana se police ni jiska kwa ba ho be heru nti omutimi kan safi we ye kwa we yintimi nye etimu nyire mu huna wo mo aso odin wo mo si munni mira so no munyi sika dodo ho ne mfa nkyekere wo ma no enti ko mo nkom bedi abu anfo se ofie kura na yakoton na ye de atua kana wo kura wa kofie no wa kowu se papa anya hwe abone nya ko kura mo mfere se wo beto huna wo mfere so de aduro betem enu na ama do hwa no wo mo adaso nko asene ye but ade ye be ye kurate na nko betutu che na nsi na agya ntwiche we nso oba kude kure na o menu akom de madam fo no we de wadaro manka enka munye ovianu mu bi o maya ye semla na yi hu odwato afo hene ye kan nyina no say ya ye nsusuma sa report say no entwe ye spirit ya ye be bo manage because ye be wie no we be say sika ye kan nyina no na e bia mfa ba bia but don't let's not forget to say senka yare ne be na nanki ni sika ka be worse than sika ba ene ye yaje ye nkwasi ho a e bia ye ko hui because ka be dure na say mro fiam fa sika ma ene the last time I check between 2001 to 2012 na sika ye nya from mrofo no partners no gift any grants no was about 8 billion if 2013 ko sa ne mani nyina ko fom enti so mo te sa mo de konam bedi ye de konam bedi e be kakra unya bia fa na ye ko ya if ye ma 2014 e ma aban ko ya ma because a take off from 8 billion no mo dia be chim ye fa grants ne ne ma ye mfa mo enti so mo bra ye obi akra ma obosia obi a ye hwe ye ne susu huru ma no wa paso ye ma ne mfa ntu ye da bia na Ghana perception de say what to be to mo this report no ba me ntam fa nyiri serious because we share na nkwa abonte na me toto na no say Ghana corruption ha bo omo a omo ye corrupt ha no boni trim na ye kekasi ani a na ye dey santaw na damage the image of the country me wa enkrofon bokro no musika no nkwa ba ho no ye dey akekere wo man no enti ye hwe yi say ye be ma sa na ma we but more importantly dey ani here ye kese ne say ka omo hu be kwadwa mu no na ye dey ba sɛ dua no naano covid sika ba no we ya publish ye dia ba sɛ den kan pay ti ni abebo ni din because stranded come ni koi no enye omo adwuma sisi omo dim ka ko be call parliament amom ahwehwem na omo ahwe omo aya search charge omo ansa na mre bi wo ha say legal process bi aye do omo aye dey mom so ntu futuru mu ye ya na ye di ehu awu ye ya
ni ana ye di ye hu awu na Alhaji Sidi Bese menka nche se wani ha wo ho kwakoma to yem wani ni prunsuo asa de apa wani suo no wani na doko ete na esi wani suo ni nyina no uju ofenso na monzongo ba bia nkemufu asonda wo no bisa se wo hwehwe papa no a se wani ha wa ye ho adwuma ma won wonfa sika nka wonfa paso wonfa pane enwo enu branu sini ha me ya obo ade nsa no ene wo de be sawo yade na no da nchane a sunsun famu abusia brabo na wo kwa wo bibi wo wiase obeso otu kwa wa ya mfa he wa wade sem gu adwuma asem esei abula na ye ko school no na wo ma ye ka asem bi when I grow up I want to be a teacher, I want to be a pilot. Ne one can be that so can be and now what let say and yes simple sa yes simple sa eti ablabo ni bibi wo ho na no na Alhaji Sidi Bese bra ofenso na monzongo ba bi anke mufu aso na wo bisa na yenkyerɛw atie bisa ɛno ɛne akoro now for 0240994362 0240994362 and that's 0266666668 0266666668 obeje wo so na yɛkɔ ahoma de so na yɛne Ghana fo eni nkomo e ba che wudi ade ba bi a o kasa free bada
Memo chala pale.
Kwaku mijusu o.
Adiara bala pale chala mo abaso na kasi agu po sa botuma. Na me cheto to papa the federal route. Ya kala so in the mo tuaba. Na lo to for the water the free mo papa so to. O kan to da no. Do su ta ta. Na min chala da yo ya. Na mi so fe le min chapa so so chala. Ero chabe na lo ajo da ku ta ta no ko so mo. Adiara ba we say my boss you na me say at go man
ayo gabu kwa homa na te yem for 0204905655 but you dey baby akase fi wana roma
e ba cho mi di hamka
se kwa ko pe yenti
kwa ko pe se enwa e kan ene wa me kan se en fankasa na mi shirawo na many threat for John Alan Ojuche Martin LP50 Manshia ne Ghana for Finance Manshia na Misha ne ona we no share na ajana be and I think we have me one topic no go about it Mr. Fachele I mean can hami energy commission for no omu take na for show na second fridge in this can what no e boy me enye dwuma yo e boy ma ye dwuma ko so munya se ombe twitwa fridge ni mo ne ayi mo no because dwuma na mo de ba no kasa pona eye chana for the man eye sub standard mi fi ye yi no so mo ma ye yi fi hom use mo na ye nya ye so e tonto bo ro ma ye mo ne not interest mo ne that interest mo no ye fi nye skari a ni ma mo I don't know what company you want me to say.
Bo, ejo su ya do ni. Paja udi ni baby akase fi wana roma. 0204905655 Paja udi ni baby akase free. Paja udi ni baby akase free.
Idris ni obo pasmen owafi.
Abu asefo ho ye de Idris.
Onya ko pasmen.
Enti wa. This would you hear my beton capa? Hello. It's from Pacha Woody, maybe I can say you are Roma. Hello. Pacha, maybe I can say you are Roma. Hello, Pacha, maybe I can say free. Me Pacha, what so?
more about I bet you for. But let me tell you, about this. Then said some other stop this and talk about
Mano 0204905655 0596248959 ubo wremu na ya fawo be ba che odin ba bia akasa fi wadaroma
Adriana ba good morning.
Good morning Mira.
Adriana ba nana ya
untin kinka so de hie.
Me bo.
Nana ya wuni bibi me so ka kire akrama me se nyame ya dum a ne bana wo free mu no Emmanuel Afo ke park fi Madini so je ni awapon akwajentiti aba na wo ko training ko dwale nsuo nye nsuo keke soja fo afa no nambo echa na yin beba so krofo Colombia eti aya na wachi akura ama me so nka ko to why
Mate Eliana ba me da asem no de area ho so be ne dey de nyame pe na oye Eliana ba me ya timu no pe ya na me de meka resha for na kakra em se ya kan ache ana Ghana fo aka afi na ja akura wati bie ati baby ana amanfo nyina ni hwepa na em se ho no mo de wan fanase man ko ho wanka na uka de sa say enya finance minister obia se wonkoi
okay
eja obi on se hono man na dudu na ni hwe o dudu na hono man na obia ni hwe na em se hono mo ne de wa na se mo anko hono aja on ni mu ni a oye eji yehwe ti yaja bema ba na pass no won nyama nkakra woye boade ebuada na fo tebeda wase Adriana ba
bo na ya untini ate nkampa che udin ba bi akasa fi wadaroma
Adriana ba
Mira
e ba don wote
na poku meduma me hoye
na po so fa ma kwa tenta wodi wu am se me na fo asa kwajo chematen Ghana fo nyina kwajo Ghana fo nyina inda so Frederick for any demu so be with my department après tout me na BP avec ça mon tuma la fait ce matin Yobia odi no kure obetimi ama pepe aba party ni mu mese mo se mon tuma na babwa party ni pa Marinda that include your friend Pon Kafo MP Yoba Vincent support on Ghana pa avec le Yobia na ebena ba NDC amoni asaba bia ma Ghana fo o hwe ni me kosia it's not for the 24/7 you are now.
Yeah, that's it. Nana, what do the other chiam? But you didn't be a casa for Wadaroma.
Adriana,
Mira.
I
just near you.
Medasipa more about me about your phone. Now, nature would have projected your mission. No, because I'm part of Adriana. And never, I put it, who put what so much and on your phone. And minority homogeneous to do one kind of one thing. I buy a stuff here to win it. It's almost a
na ejufo mu chese come here say obia wo opposition na wo minority a the asa abano ye bia no mu nse ye
wo cheche mu cheche cheche ma I was and you say you know what we are here. And I don't know I'm not gonna fuck once I'm not you fuck once. What is the general report about you? So the report is if you need so much for the matter for the so the here. Almost you are not getting what you and then I have to watch what you about that. In the same kind you get win and you got more different say I think I will not do now. Just to think no more no you need magana for but so come on and can one again one you put to get it here the whole Ghana. What you can say the whole Ghana one like Jamaica. Hey come on and Accra. Now we go to get it here. Ah it's me to go in here.
Mo it is was it but you didn't be a casa for Wadaroma.
Hello Adriana.
Mira
me pata pro temi kai
Mesa saba mi ton kapa.
Eh
auditor general report samoto se mi tiri na opana ba ko kan so go ko receipt no o de ba maybe office no kwa no e bi ani pa no kwa o de ba ni now so auditor general ka ya fan to ni pa no register I you want so enya to do register e bi na ya si ya discount e ko yes no juma no so da ko e bi a ayare for one juma and the end prime minister corporation of finance in direction and we do be here now in can say auditor general identify a fana and we think an auditor general the bar ya manipula ko ya manipa abe people no so some auditor general the bar no get and work found it do be yet from senior to kaka yam Dr. Duma Mbuya
oh yeah that's it you rampa chodi baby akase fi wada ruma hello
open me machi
mira mejusu o
ye friend say Swansea ni kase free bushe
akra yentie we
amecha ko jade da fa e wo bantena ofa e bi si shemri wo enye hu se obi e defende abia enye omamentanyi aredanko kufa da mamumu a bigi ya o mani takro ya de meje ni se ento wo my Ghana ho edo adi bi nse se wuye nipa o defend enye mumia ka no kranche mampanyi na kaka no aka na aka ni se fi ni ru aka wo ba bi fra ba mu watimi dia manage ama Ghana for ye ho atwe kakra eti ana nya asese nya reho na nyama abuosia kosoro pa na ye sika e dia sort nyama out na ye koso defend abia henye uni se ba fa ye sha ban no nkran se da o ye na buaye ye besre munya kwanya munya nyama etaso wo maye bida
o se Swansea ye da wasempa che udin ba bi akase fi wada roma
openye fem original official kuma to magazine on kase
original Kofi Charles mazi boko de
nyanko ado bia mo ye pa
enti o mi bra
na na do dan ko ado amemu obuya utimu se ye woni gi mo ankasa open ye ku ani preko pa mefa kwa wo sha chia Ghana fo nyina kwadwo alan kwadwo che maten ye fa kwa wo sumo na baso because me kai say o man pe ku for time ko buy or the health insurance buy na nada dan ko for Dubai no see there be say me health insurance abam enya ma mention fan kwa ni ko school free na sen kwa ya ko school free yen sham ho ma free rahram ewo mu ma me so eti aduma wura alan ko be che maten so free o so de aduma ba ama youth ye nya bia ye ni bo ni e pede kini e se de for say o mu to aba e ma alan ko be che maten no fa abenya no entu aso open na sie ko ni twekuta baby America me say we your man gan me mapa na person man gan edie na ekon kan a and 20 baby nye eni wo de bia de bia wo si eni from ayeta na na dan ko kufa dochi na me gidi say enko prince papa wo kan 8 years ni na o man gan ye woni jema 80 ekọ pesa na alan ko je ma tembe to so a na enoma anya din amaye me da so opening oni nyam nyagi
mo yewra yeda wase e wode wode aba besom ne anopa yi Ghana na yesom no Ghana na yepeso wonya baabi ejina eti saa pepepe na anopa bia no yesinkunwa ye beyo no ma menhwe na omanfo adwenkyira aba no yenhwe se yebeyi bi e de afiri ho asa no nana Ghana for akase wa akra ye ko de na udijai
yes edena ba say Swansea meten nka che me hu se wo frɛ o so Mr. Swansea child edena ba medical set premises ni say wadaroma ya na ye adwenkyere na ye nkomo na Ghana se nka no emre se udu bi beta manyoku bi ho ne wo ka ho
okay
se wona nkasa wutie no wo do ho akudina baabi na emum ya yiti asem no a enya daje ni yenti die nipa na ikano yenhwe nokure ne abababo pa ankasa ye woni wo edena ba masema me kan nyina ne se ya ma opposition trana koye se yedi yehuna de pa bia woni wo government ni yehunu se enne na wo baabi kro na buja na wo e kyena e bedane ɛna yɛ ade ɔmaya na yɛne ne betimi aka no kra kye yɛdi kanfo no ɛdɔn ba sɛ yɛn timi ka no kra kyerɛ wɔ mo sɛ ɛnyɛ mmerɛ bi a ɛwɔ opposition ɛne yɛ deɛ ɛwɔ government bi ana ɛnyɛ ana mmerɛ bi a deɛ ɛwɔ government deɛ yɛ bɛyɛ bi ano ɛyɛ a we are making deɛ ɛwɔ government nso ne bi ayɛ no opposition bi anye and these are the two standards omo asati am omo ho de bia ye boy ho ma okuro yi mu tie de na ba omo sesa sa su ene ban no na I believe say no kure wo ne nyina ye ka bom so o man ne ye ka e de mfa so pa bebre Ghana esene de ya na ye ho no na mpo no kure no wo ba ko hu ne say wei akodi sika no anase ampa say ne ye ka ti say no enam say nipa ne gina baabi ne yensu ye mu odi ka acha dadanti no e de na ba no kure ne be wie na ayira okay. It's the Auditor General's report there. Make us say, a classified document. They should stop making it a public document. They be a bar. Only comes to give people blood pressure. Many no maybe one woman your phone that should be a didn't bebre warm because I don't have a minya Auditor General's report paper crana minya memo di mechram the samani out office there about say oh yes we say ya. Or call to be a no. As police form from Bontem, and the man about to me as oracle. Okay. So, a danger. Precedents now almost at yet. The way of Mamma no for the Bamon to be used worse in some Fubi church, mono, a very bad. Okay. You know, they don't have a chairman was your funina. You know, we was your voice or more to me for a wish him. Okay. For your society, Nakupun shall be done about Doctor. Winshaw was so and an elder. Reverend Asante Michael. Okay. Now, Haj Tanko Nuludin Yunus. Ose aduana ba me wo Ghana mu mitie mu program no pa me no me wo Ghana na metie hwa na no pedi mitie mu Gaddafi krom Libya ho ena mitie mu na me sa hwe mu wo Facebook no so Haj Tanko Nurudin Yunus na teacher constitution ose wi amoase no hwe o te se NDC for kasa na no koko na ni ampele pa o mayo mo sa abofo na oyibo boti ndile behi no se Ghana for ye me ni na wo NDC for home say John Bososo was wo hweye efri ye ebuakwa nof na wo hweye na ye onti o se aduana ba good morning great show na mo we no yeso ye hwe mo free ebuakwa Yahuza Swami no se bibia di adanse se eno be konka nenso ebeye yie Chefman atonsu kumasi ono de oil di na oka ho asem mi rantwi akra Ghana fo aka se wo ye kɔ de na odi jai de o ma se ema obi anwene NDC ne MPP hu menya yare fi se yare bo wa ye wabusua na o de eba beto wo so nti asem no we wadwen se wo betie dia ate se wonya big heart to contain those things me banomete se na mo kan aware asem trabosom we ma obi amfanyansa oba wo are no otete you need big stomach to contain it because baby anyo efuni na asofo no enipa bi de ahwehwe no obi na hwe wo ma ase wo mu de wo mu ye kron na san Vatican what is na o mu ye agitation say Catholic priest now almost swear oath of celibacy say from come na bi sisi enti say what is also for bi ne yire nya asem a ya tusuma ne nyo if say it me to be ma bia na me mafutuo ni say we ye bema ye free bi sealing in marriage so one drew sa position na forget it because our re wo bema no be wu oba no betuma wu but nyame anim no na ejina mu pintin so mi wa kwantwi no do ye wie
ye dase ye de be bia no o ma no ye ya dia de be bia ye ya dia emu be ye de mu be nwunu ye ya dia enti ni hia kese pa se be hwese e be ye ye to abawie na do ani asemu a votes ni nyina se gina 6 million okay se 5 million na je se enipa no bia gina fa e kire pefe se de obeka bia no enye bi de nti se ye be fidie so aye kasa enye ho ne ye hwe okay de hia ne se policy se be ma o manfo adi ye no eno na e wo se ye ka ho asem and at the same time no so no we ye de ya opposition asem nko ena position so asem position ni de o wa bem and opposition ni de oni abem so wo nyina ka bia ma position dia se na obi ama bem and ya sansem no mo ma ne nyem nwanwa na mum wo nyansa wo behwe ni se wobɛhwɛ ne yie sɛ adeɛ yɛ aban wei de bɛboa deɛ no wɔte so na ɛte sɛn deɛ no bakɔ no na ɛte sɛn na wode take decision ɛtu na da bia meka sɛ obi so nto aba ya na emiya because George Nathan say bad officials are elected by good people who do not vote.
Okay.
So one koto aba no nipa ba kokra to e be year candidate and the yema sa na no enya but we are losing touch connecting the dots any betima boama yetimi akoye ade ho ba a national benefit and interest ye ho na o se yema o ma na chekire eko nti we de be da ase na yenchia da je ni boatin wona reverend na ne fie de ma menchia fiura Miss Melody Ntiapau na menchia madwumayefo na adesuafo Ghana Communication Technology University.
Okay.
Chair Farm Plains in the district capital Drobonzo mechia omo nyina omo mutie Dr. Boame mo mutati omo faction ni agro na me am teacher ko be diako.
Okay.
Magaje tena nkola su kuna ni ha. Msi teacher ni bia wo Ghana bia wo de wunim.
Oh, be your brother pages.
Ya say fe. We papa no mo kan ne de wo kokwa mo nkan da.
Master bia na ye fa na adanko.
Papa, I was it. They are not the man. Oh, wow, will be. Oh, will be.
I was here. You are divorced, Dr. Georgia. Come, Abba Sum, and I don't think I'm Sum, and Miracle Quentin Abba Sum. Yadimusia, what you have been phone and can pay. Na ako kwa kuma to yemo chaya nyamia duma oba Emmanuel Afo